Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to State of Crypto, one stop source for all crypto related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this episode 498. Bitcoin pumping, alts moving now. If you're catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, be up to date with the latest crypto related news and technicals. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us once stream is done, join us on Discord. Links in the description. Yo! That's early in the stream. Yo, thank you very much for that. I appreciate that. I didn't even have the sound set up yet. Here we go.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is awesome. Thank you very much for the kind donation there. Doesn't matter. I really appreciate that. I think I just finished signing on. I did dim this little thing a bit, so it's not as bright. It's not just the dimming that I had to do. I did do some other things as well. Hopefully it is looking okay. I'm trying to see something here. Yep. It's hopefully good. We'll see. Had to apply a filter to the camera to dumb it down quite a bit. I still see it on its regular strength, but for you guys might be a little bit easier on the eye, I guess. With that said, let's see who is in. Chandler, thanks for being here. Do Jack Proc bring facts? Korean Batosai, Carthago, Soka, everyone that's here. What's up? Forgot to post. Can you check GRT? Sure, man. Let's do GRT. Let's put it on the list. Phil Mahoney says, "Oi, get that thumbs up, man. Yeah, get them thumbs up, dude." Yo, what else? What else? There we go. Andrew's in the house. It doesn't matter since I'm not giving, but I'm consistent. Yeah, I appreciate that, man. Thank you very much for being here, guys. And thank you very much for the kind support that you guys show to this channel. On that note, let's move and start looking at crypto, right? Let's move on to not this screen, but this screen of magic. Hey, market maker. I'm going to restart that little thing. Just 1 second. I'm back. Thank you for waiting for me through that small intermission. For some reason, when it loaded, it was a little bit glitched at the beginning. I do believe it should be okay now. I'm trying to see if I see that little bug showing up. No, it's good. It's good. Awesome. Jeffrey, what's up? Oh, I give time for more people to come in. So many people in here. Thank you all for joining me as we watch Bitcoin in all its majestuous glory or something like that. I'm not sure what to call it. Majestic glory. That's what we're going to call it. We'll see what it's doing. Alex in the house. Thank you for being here, Alex.
Oh, what a beautiful day it is.
Beautiful day indeed, man. Beautiful day indeed.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man. There it is. Thank you very much. Yeah, let's keep rolling. Market cap. Again, before I actually do that, guys, remember the little ticker that you see on the bottom of the screen. It is a real ticker that I have here. It was made by a guy who hand makes them in Florida. CryptoCoinDisplay.com. You can find the link in the description. You can also use code State of Crypto for 10% off the tickers. The one you see is a 20-inch one. I just have a camera facing it. It's been cropped so you don't see it at all, but it is very nice to have there, and it's been really good to have it today. I was looking at the market. I've been working on my computer. I don't have to look at my other computer, right? Here at the charts or anything. I can just be looking there, get a quick glance at the prices. It's doing really good, right? That paint's doing okay. Ooh, I haven't looked at paint. And look at how it looks today, right? I dipped it down from midday. You can see the midday stream was still very, very red. Had to apply a LUT filter onto that for you guys to be able to like see it and not have your eyes be burned. So, I think I'll put it here and I'll show you what it looks like without the LUT filter. Just so you can see the difference. It's like so different, man. Look, I'll remove the LUT. See how bright it gets? Not sure if you guys are able to see it now, but see how bright it gets? And then I'll reapply the LUT again. See how dim? It like dims so well with that filter applied to the camera. It looks so much better, man. At least for the stream. Here, I don't mind having it on full blast. It looks really good in the office. So, let's keep moving, right? Market cap. Dude, market cap is doing so amazing, yet Bitcoin failed to get above its all-time high. It's all good. I mean, there's more money into the cryptos here, but the alts are doing a little bit better than Bitcoin was doing. Look at this. When we were up here, this high closing was at 1.71 trillion, 1.718 trillion. Right now we're at 1.715, so we're slightly below that area. But yesterday we did manage to close at 1.728, right? So slightly higher. So there's a lot more money in the market cap. Right now we're going down a little bit, trying to find support at 100%. So we're doing a good retrace here. Again, on the hidden divergence, still playing beautifully. Move hit here on this break to the downside. We hit that measure move with the wicks. Been very nice. Bought at 67.83. Let's go check out Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing? Neutral. Sorry, not neutral. It's at 62.02% of market cap. It is neutral on the higher side, but It's gained a little bit yesterday of dominance. It's losing that dominance today. It is fun. I'm not really worried about Bitcoin dominance, right? So, sorry guys, gotta do this real quick. Hopefully it'll work. Sure. Trying something out here. Yeah, it's good. What is happening with Bitcoin futures? It's at 57,400. Futures price has gone down a little bit. It has driven the price of Bitcoin down a bit. So it's still 56,950. But guess what? Guess what? We got higher targets. We did hit 58,120 and 58,090 on the highs of these candles, which is pretty good. We haven't broken all-time high wicks. That is fine, but we are making all-time high closings, which again in my book is really good, man. Now, the thing that I'm noticing that we're starting to develop here, and why I want the Bitcoin to move with a lot more strength on this pump, is because we're starting to create that strong bearish divergence, right? It's going to put some pressure on the price. It could lead us to have a double top, and that's what I was talking about the other day, right? Saying, look, I don't want to be bearish. I'm not bearish. I do believe we still have targets to the upside, but we're at a point where if Bitcoin doesn't get its stuff together and pumps, we could start looking for some retrace to happen. And I'll go on this chart. I believe it's a little bit cleaner. Right, and we already had the double top there, more or less drawn. 1, 2. I haven't drawn the confirmation line. It's just here. I'll draw it whenever we start moving down, if we start moving down. Again, I do believe it is bullish. Alex says we will most definitely hit 60,000 by the end of the month. Maybe sooner. You're right, Alex. We might hit it by the end of the month, bro. Hopefully. Joss in the house.
What's up?
I was like 21 like. Awesome, dude. Anyways, that move, right? Boom, boom. Awesome. Potential double top forming. I'm not bearish at all, right? I'm not bearish at all. What? Something came through.
Oh, what a beautiful day it is.
Yo.
I'm looking to get taught, _bullish, _thumbs up, _Bitcoin, _Bitcoin, _Bitcoin.
All right. I can do this.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man. 1-4, Alex, and 1-4 doesn't matter. Legendary, man. There it is. 1 up. Awesome. Let's keep rolling. Let's keep moving through this, man. Anyways, bearish divergence, man. And there's that bearish divergence in play. Potential fraction to the downside. So Bitcoin can manage to burst through it, right? Let's see if we can keep on having this bullish momentum, this bullishness, right? Again, on this pattern, we had this flag. We broke it to the upside. We didn't hit the pattern. I do believe the pattern's done. But we're definitely going to hit that target at some point in time on a move up, because we have other things to look forward to on that move up. Remember, we've have other targets that we're aiming for. Here we have a double bottom short term, or neck and head and shoulders complex, I think on the 4 hour. So yeah, complex head and shoulders, that measure move of the head to the neck gets us 60,422. But the pattern, that pattern usually triggers a move to 75,000, 73,000 at least, 73,161. Awesome wife with the awesome glasses connect. They're a little bit dirty. Again, context still not in, so still get out wear glasses in the stream, right? Them hot looking glasses. Apparently, it's some comments from people like glasses look good, man. Yeah, they're okay. They help me see better. I mean, I don't need them that much. My eyesight's not that screwed up, but it does help, so I'm not forcing my vision so much as I'm doing the long streams. And yeah, it helps me not get that many headaches. But yeah, like what is it, like minus 1.25, minus 1.5, so it's not that bad yet. So I've had that for a couple of years now, so it seems to be stabilized around that. I can see very well without the glasses, but yeah, they do help. Hot, thanks, man, I appreciate it. Andrew, he says I always worn glasses. Do you think it's worth context? It depends, man. For me, they're good. I don't like wearing glasses that much. Contacts are fine. They're just a hassle. You gotta clean them out every night. put them on the little box. If you're getting the ones you use for multiple days, right? If you're using the ones that are every day, just put them on and throw them out at the end of the day. Yeah, for me, I mean, they're good, man. I like using contacts more than glasses. I just don't like having the rim, and then, you know, there's something about like the peripheral vision that gets screwed up with the glasses. So, yeah. Here it keeps, it helps keeping your eyes from getting worse. Yeah. I'm not sure, man. Sometimes I don't even wear the glasses or the contacts. So, so if you sometimes see me squinting at the like chat, I can't see it, but sometimes I just get tired and I like kind squint to see better or focus on some stuff. But yeah, I haven't done Litecoin, Jaime. We'll do it in a second. Let's keep rolling again. Have targets to the upside, even to 73,000, right? So I'm bullish on Bitcoin still. There's patterns that we have to hit. Again, double bottom here. Target move off that double bottom puts us at 65,000, right? So we have targets to the upside, plenty of targets to the upside, even 70,000s. So there's a lot of bullish patterns on Bitcoin that should be playing out. Again, there's a percentage chance that pattern completion doesn't get, that is not met, right, on these patterns. And when I'm writing the stuff down, and I've shown you guys before, for example, this is a trade setup that I'm writing out for Aave, which is not there yet, but it's a potential pattern identification. There is a potential tree rising valley. I have targets that I'm setting out. They're not the real targets yet because the pattern has not yet finished developing. So I'm more or less assuming where the pattern is going to be to try to already have something written out for whenever it happens, then I can just post it. But again, there's pattern. For example, this has a 58% chance of being target. That target is a 41% average rise in price. So with this targets that I have, target 5 with fibs, exits above 41,000. So I do put a note here. Target 5 might not play an account that the pattern usually rises 41%. So again, I do have a lot of stuff here. I'm sorry if it's too white. This is Word. There's no dark mode, I think, for Word. So I'm going with what I have. Anyways. So interesting stuff. It's moving down a little bit. That is fine. On the 4 hour, again, we had this bearish divergence. We were looking at this on the daily, right? Today in the midday stream. We're going higher still. We had that bearish divergence, potential fraction of downside, right? Boom and blam. There we go. Might move down on that. All right, might move down on that. And let's go to the 1 hour chart because there's really nothing else happening here since the midday stream. We had this bearish divergence. We did pump a little bit more. That is fine. It did play. We're still holding the support. We're finally breaking it again on this divergence, right? Whether or not this is the support we're looking at or this is the support we're looking at, it could be a whole different support, right? For this bearish divergence. Now, this blue support I was looking at is by using this point here and this point here as anchoring. Or did I get that line to go through? I'll see if I have a cleaner chart so I can show you what I'm anchoring at. This is a buy bit. This chart's a little bit screwy, so I'm going to try to go with this one. Yeah, this one might work. So one of the lines I'm looking at is from here like this, right? From here to there, like that. I'm using touch point here at the bottom, touch point here at the bottom, and then, we broke above it. Here's the support, and right now we're breaking back below this pattern. No, sorry, this support trend line. Now, the other one I was looking at here is this one here, right? Like this. By going like this, 1 touch points, 2 touch points, then we get the wick support, right? Support by the wick again, and then bounce. So those are the 2 lines that I have. But what I'm thinking about for this last divergence, right, is coming from this top to this top. I'm thinking that this might be a support line. So this support line might be slightly lower for this one bearish divergence by looking like this. I don't want to put it on the other chart. It's starting to get too cluttered. But I do want to show you what I'm looking at as support lines. So we're breaking one support. We're going to have another support here that we already know it's held since way back here on March the 6th. And then this one's a little bit shorter term support that we could be looking for on Bitcoin. And, I'll leave this one here just so we know we talked about this one and get rid of it here. So that is what I was looking for here, right? We did have this hidden bullish pumping on that. That is great. I'm just going to change this back to yellow. I didn't change it in the day stream. I wanted to show you guys that what I was looking at for that bounce. And again, we had it at that support, so it's helping us pop up a little bit more. Not too bad for Bitcoin, right? Not too bad. Again, that bearish divergence moving down, going for that 20, very close to it. We haven't quite bounced there yet, and it wouldn't be weird if we go there to bounce. It's at 56,732 right now. Neutral at 53.03 on the RSI. Low, high, negative, less negative, low to high. There's really nothing else that is bullish happening here. So, Joe Grow says, I can't wait for your trade setups. They're looking good and seem easy to understand. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. 2 of them already hit. So, quick commercial. 2 that I've done like that have already hit. And I haven't posted them yet. I'm still testing the writing. Thanks for letting me know that they're easy to understand. But on that note, this Crow trade was for a quick turnaround, right? This I posted on the 8th, right? So a couple days ago. I'm just gonna show this real quick. I'm not gonna do Crow or anything like that, but look, I'll show it real quick. Crow. This one already completed and then some, right? So I had quick targets here. It still kept on running. The target for this, if we were to go for the full move, because I do tell you what the full move is, right? It should be rising on the 3 rising valleys. It should be having an average rise of 41%. And if what's playing out is the ascending triangle that it has, we should be looking at a 35% rally. It's very easy to just measure, right? You just get this going on here and you say, okay, so if you're risking at 10% gains, then, you know, just go from the opening here. I opened this one at the 786. So from here to here, and we're getting that 24% already. So we're still on track to maybe hit full on that pattern, but I was doing it for a quick play on the fibs only, not going for the full pattern maturity. And the other one I had is VET. And VET I sent to people earlier. Trying to see when I sent the VET. So VT I sent on the 5th, right? On the 5th. There's also a quick play for 31% return on VT. I don't think we got to that 31%, but I know we got to the 21% returns. And VT is the... Oh, where is it, dude? Did I remove it from the charts by accident? Oh, shit. Is it this one that I had the pattern on? I'm going to have to find it, I guess. Yes, it's this one. So we have gone almost to pattern completion all the way up here. We did scale back up a bit. We do have another resistance here at the 1618. I'm not having that as the next target, but my last target's up here. That'll be 40% gain on this. I don't have the 3rd one here. I edited it afterwards to include that 4th one, and I do have it here on the Word document. It's here, right? VT exit target 4. 40.84% gains. It looks like we're going for that last round, or for that last bid. And like I said, pattern completion for this is 41%. So 58% of the time it hits that. So 41%, right?
Thanks for a great Steam. Look at SKL. It's new on Coinbase.
Sure, man. Why not? SKL. Oh, this pen stopped writing. So I'm gonna be doing these setups on Patreon. They are gonna be at a different tier though, right? They are gonna be at a different tier. On the regular tier, I might post fewer setups, but the main setups, you know, are gonna be for the upper tiers. Right now, the Patreon's right. It's just a support thing. I don't have a lot going on there. I'm gonna start putting out more content there. Still figuring out some of this stuff on how to write it down, make sure it's understandable. Like I said, that's my main concern, that you guys are able to see these. So again, have 3 patterns right now. I have Ave for a potential 3 rising valley. That's still not yet going. I'll show you why real quick. Right, so I'm just gonna show you real quick what I'm seeing here on Ave. Right, so on Ave, I'm looking at this, right? On the daily, 1, 2, 3, you're gonna say, well, this doesn't match anything. It was matching when I was drawing it on the daily. It could be that we just pulled up a little bit. That's why I said it's potential, because we haven't gotten that pump to happen. So I'm looking at this very quick, 1, 2, and then the third one starting to happen here at support of the 20. We don't have anything bullish to push it up, not even on the 4 hours, right? But look at that, on the 4 hours we have that amazing support there, right? 1, 2, and then I'm looking for those moves to the upside that I have written here on the plan. I think the highest point goes to 45, but again, a 34% gain wouldn't be that bad. I have another one that's forming also 3 rising valley also on Link, potentially. So I'll just show that real quick. And the thing with this trade setups is that not every day there's something on crypto, right? There's always something somewhere. There's so many things to look for, either crypto or stocks, that sometimes it's impossible to be looking at everything. So there's some days I might not be finding the good setups, right, the way I want to find them. So this I'm looking at on the daily, not on the 4 hour, because I'm looking at the 1, 2, 3. And it looks like we want to start a climb. So we might be getting very close to my entry level, which is at 50%. And it's that line that's here. You can barely see it, but the one I'm calling it the entry is this level here, 30.85. That is what I have it at, 30.85. Right, potential entry. Again, it's a early pattern identification. I'm letting you guys know that there might be something developing there. Or why am I calling it early pattern identification? We have not gotten above that level consistently. And if you were to go in on a wick, right, you want to get at least some confirmation happening. If you were to go in a wick, you could be in for some damage if the pattern doesn't develop. That's why I also set up a quick exit. This one, the exit's not that high. It's just a 3% loss that you're willing to take. 3% gain for a 3% loss on the first one. It's a 1-to-1 from where you enter to where you exit here at 100%, or where it drops here back to the 0 line. So again, since you're going at the 50 line, you're taking 1-to-1, but then after that, your risk reward gets a lot better, 2.4, etc., and your increases also get a lot better. And there's another pattern that's also developing. That's a cup and handle on BTT, and again, that one I'm waiting also to develop a little bit more, so we'll go check that one out real quick, BTT, and then after that we'll do SKL, right? BTT is another one that I'm looking at for potential development on a pattern. Here it is, BTT. I guess, what the hell is this guy looking at, man? I'm looking at a cup and handle. Cups and handles are tricky. It's just a cup and handle does not mean that you have to have this formation and then a handle, right? There are some criteria you have to meet for a cup and handle. First of all, you got to get over a 30% pull up in price. So if we go from the close to here, it isn't. It's a 21%. But if we go from the wick, we count that wick and take that wick into account, then we have 52. So again, there are rules. There are rules here for identification, right? So first of all, rise before the cup is at least 30%. So I'm looking at rise before the cup at least 30%.
The direction you're going with the trade setups. Totally awesome.
Sorry, man, I couldn't quite catch that. There's something here. Montera, dude, thank you very much for that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. There it is.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, man. Yo, I know it's been a bit, man. I'm glad that you're here, man. It's good to see you, bro. I hope you're doing good with your with the stuff you got going on, man. You told me, but I don't want to disclose too much of that here on live stream, but I really hope you're having good luck with that, man. Anyways, that's so cool. So there's rules, right? There's rules for the formation of patterns. Just because you see that doesn't mean it has to be it, right? There has to be a 30% at least for it to play better. The more textbook you adhere to, the better the pattern is going to be, right? And this, I'm saying the handle's not yet formed because it has not formed yet, right? We don't have that handle. The handle has to be over halfway of the cup. So if we were to measure from here to here, it should be above that 50% line. And I'm pretty sure if I go from here to here, we are above that 50% line. So 50% line would be here. So you still drop a little bit more for that handle. And it's fine. We just got to be above that 50% line. We don't want to go lower. There's rules for how the patterns are identified and how they play out. And that's why sometimes it's a little bit finicky. Just because you see that doesn't mean it's going to play out. You do have to look and see if you're following what you should be looking for on the pattern. And the more textbook it is, there's so many patterns out there. That's why I do tend to reference the book a lot, because there's so much information that you got to keep in your mind. that, you know, it's like a cheat sheet, right? It's okay, like it's not a test. You're actually trading with money. No one's really judging you. If you want to have your, like, you know, your cheat sheet here, that is fine. You can have it, look at it. It's good for trading. Particularly when you're looking at a lot of stuff, it's good to have some reference material and be able to say, oh, well, this is a cup and handle, I think. And then you don't remember exactly what percentage you're supposed to get on the upside. There's all the patterns have different targets to the upside and percentages that they play out. So all of that needs to be. So how soon before the cup can the rise be? Works on Ethereum on the 1 day, if you can look back. All right. So what I'm looking at here, it's there's also a length for the cup, right? It has to be between 70 and something else. So that's the one that tricks me a little bit, because it's one I always forget. Cup duration. It cannot be fewer than 7 weeks or over 65 weeks. But I mean, we're not looking at a daily pattern. We're looking at a shorter time scale. So, you know, we could fiddle with that and say this is playing out. I do believe this is going to be building. Already went down, wicked a little bit more. If we break 50%, right, on a measure, we could be looking for more movement to the downside. The cup and handle will not be there. That's why I'm calling it early pattern identification. It's not there yet. It could be there. We're setting out for it in case it is, and we could be good. What am I looking for? I'm looking for a break of this lip. There should be almost no difference from one lip to the other one. I do believe this is acceptable on the lips, particularly if we consider this wick, and that there's no wick here. We could be looking at something that more or less averages out. You shouldn't do it like that. You want to go body to body, but like the difference is not too much. So from lip to lip of the cup, you should be okay. And then you got to get that handle to form. I'm looking for a movement here up to at least, maybe, if we hit the pattern, a 34%. I am targeting 33 here at the 2618, and my first exit strategy, or part of my first exit, would be at the 1618. So again, looking at different things here for you guys to make it better.
Martin with glasses on. I feel complete now.
You never seen me with glasses on? Dude, thank you for being here, Alex.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is so awesome. Thank you very much. Yeah, glasses, dude. Glasses for the win. Usually contacts or no glasses. But they do help, particularly late in the stream. F you, Jake. Anyways, we're gonna rally here potentially. You need to break that lip and see if we go all right. Anyways, Jeff says something about the Discord. Great. So far, all the patterns 202 have played out, so that's pretty good. Yeah, I'm not gonna be talking about entry points here on YouTube. And again, this is potential, right? This pattern is not there yet. All I'm looking at here is they're telling you plays that have already happened that I looked at and I told other people about. Again, not as financial advice, or patterns that are developing that, you know, are also not financial advice.
$10 if you take off the hat for 5 seconds.
All right, dude. Thanks. I'll do it in a bit, though.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man. There
Thank you
it
very
is.
much.
I'll do it in a bit, man. Just give me a second then. Because I gotta do this. So, this is not financial advice, right? This is not financial advice. There is a chance this pattern might not develop, etc. I cannot be giving you entry points or exit points because that is financial advice. That's what I'm saying. These are potentials. And I'm going to be setting up this place on the Discord, right? So, let me grab my shades. All right, I'll do it in a second, dude. Someone tip for SKL. Let me do that one real quick, and then we'll do the hat thing, right? SKL to Tether. Yeah, we'll go with this one real quick for Craig. I think he was the one that requested this. Yeah, Craig say SKL. So we'll do this one real quick. Seamus, you're still not there, man. You're still shy. 3 cents of Phil. 3 cents from Bill. You're not free, you leprechaun. Someone said CHC. Let me just write that down. So SKL. SKL $1.01. Again, going up higher. This is already taken off, so I'm not sure when we're able to find something here. Let's get on the daily. Again, going up too high. No cup and handle by any means. Pull back, push back up. Can we even fit this to the upside? Oh, that's right. I did have all the tips that didn't come through here. You're right. You're right, man. I forgot about those. Where's Seamus? I hope my daughter didn't take him from his prison. He's here in prison. The Seamus. You're correct. You are correct, May. There are other outside of Super Chat. Yes. I forgot that. I'm not keeping track of the tips, so I should look at Super Chat, see if we hit the tips, but you're correct. There's other ones outside, so I'm not adding up. If you guys aren't keeping track of that, there it is. Seamus. Right on, man. Right on. I will. Just let me finish this one, right? I'll warn you. Warn you, people. Again, going higher.
Clover, beer, 4-leaf clover. Warn us so we can put on our shades.
Right on, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. There it is.
Thank you very much.
Anyways, we are going higher. And again, yeah. Low, high, negative, more negative. Some hidden bullish here. Fraction to the upside. And with that, let me get rid of this here and here. It's all good. And then just go from here to here. And here to here also, right? Hidden bullish, rising on that. Again, this pattern's way above the 4618. So, really, I'm not seeing anything here on the fibs that can help us determine where we're going to go. Let's go to the 4 hour. Again, it's highly, sorry, I didn't say how overbought it is, but it's highly overbought. It's at 88.24. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Seamus, you're not Scottish. You're Irish. No Braveheart. Anyways, going up higher. More positive, and also, are we going higher here? Let's do this. 88, 73, 88, 88, slightly higher. I want to get some fibs here real quick. See if we hit this fibs can give us targets to the upside. I do believe we're going to probably be hitting everything. Yep, everything. Almost spot on wick there. At the 4618 on this small fibs, body to body, we're getting a wick hit at the 4618 at $1.05. Again, not too bad for SKL. So let's get on the 1 hour chart. So what's going on here? High, higher, positive, more positive, and then high to low. Right there, we're finally starting to develop some bearish divergence here on SKL on the 1 hour chart. And with that, we could be aiming for some action to the downside, right? That is a possibility that comes with this bearish divergence. And we don't have a lot of fibs because we have not pulled back here, so we don't have any valid retraces. What I can do is go again from here to here and get some retraces happening here. Again, different fibs because it's the 1 hour chart. And here we don't have a hit at that 4618, but that is fine. I'm just looking at to see where we could go. Right now, we could find support at the 3618 at 0.97 cents and below there, and 2618 at 0.48 cents, right? I already did step all, so I'll do it in a second. Bitcoin, SKL. Alex, are you here? Are you here still? Because I'm not going to repeat this again. I don't think Alex is here. Yeah, well, Alex is here. All right, cool. There you go, dude. Hat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I just don't usually like to have my hat off, so there it is, man. Yep. It's fucking hair. Who cares? I just wear the hat because otherwise the lights reflect too much, so. But throughout day to day, I don't have hats on, so it's all good. Even when I go to, like, I don't go to business meetings with hats on, that's for sure. Or work meetings with hats on. Let's go to Ethereum up next. So again, SKL, right? It has bearish divergence. Again, it's going extremely bullish. I don't like the bearish divergence might not play out, right? Your eyes. It's all good, man. I could be your friend's twin. Oh, it's cool, man. I might be your friend. I'm not sure who your friend is. I have friends named Andrew. There we are.
Outstanding.
Awesome, Alex. Thank you very much for that, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. There it is. Thank you very much. Let's go to Ethereum, man. Let's keep it rolling. 1,819. We're here on the daily. I never shaved my head off completely, though. So I might do that on a stream. We'll have to set up like a target. And then I'll shave off my head or something. I'm not sure if we can shave it live, but I don't want to shave it on this chair. I don't want to be like having to like, you know, clean it up and be itchy. So. Oh, like Vegeta? That'd be awesome, though. I would love to have a widow speak like Vegeta, though. Like, you know. Hello, hello, right? Neutral at 58.69 on Ethereum. So we're not doing anything since we looked at this yesterday. We did go down, hit that support at 1,729, almost spot on. We already checked that on the day. We did hit like $3 below, I think. Low, 1,723. So we're like $6 off target. Again, for me, that's a hit on a $1,000 move. $6. It's almost nothing. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we have again some hidden bullish. We're rallying on that, which is fairly okay. High to low, positive, and high to low. I'm looking here at a potential three following peaks, right? And that is the opposite of three rising valleys. So this will be peak number 1, right? This will be peak number 2, and then this will be peak number 3.
Martin, all you need is a high and tight army fade. Smiley face, smiley face, smiley face, smiley face.
Yo, Alex, thank you very much for that. Legendary, man. I think if you remember the Fresh Prince, there's a joke that Will Smith used to do on Uncle Phil, who's like,
"No way, man. I wouldn't change a thing. Who cares about your hat or hair? You're a good human being, and that's what counts."
Yo, thanks, and I appreciate that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. There it comes one there. Dude, yeah, I really don't care about it. That's why I haven't done any kind of like weird stuff for it. It's just like stuff happens, right? A lot of people without hair. Look at all them dudes without hair, like The Rock and you know, Jason Statham and all these cool guys that have no hair. Bruce Willis also was losing his hair, and he was a badass. So yeah, I really don't care about it too much. And Vin Diesel also, right? So really don't care too much about it. I just don't like not wearing a hat, because since I have two lights shining on my head, I get a weird reflection. So I've tried when I tested stream. So anyways, 1, 2, 3, that is the opposite of a 3 rising valley. This could lend itself as an opportunity to short. Don't do it, right? The market is bullish. Bitcoin is bullish. If Bitcoin keeps on pumping, alts are going to follow at some point in time. Just because it's happening here doesn't mean it has to play out. And it also has not broken this line. So right now I'm not going with this, right? So let's keep rolling. Again, yeah. Oh, anyways, that joke with Will Smith, right? And he's like, you know, he had the like Will Smith on the Fresh Prince was all shaved here and then going up, and he was telling Uncle Phil that they did the opposite haircut to him, right? All shaved here and then a lot of hair down here. So yeah. Yeah, at least it's fun. I don't have to spend money on a hairdresser, and that's some savings there, man. Neutral at 56.99. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Again, there's really not a lot happening here. We do have this inverse head and shoulders correction to the upside. We did break that neckline. We're breaking back below it, so we're doing a throwback. It could be a chance that we try to break back above it again. I'm not going to put a lot of faith in it. I'm disappointed that it didn't play because Bitcoin was bullish. It's taking so much out of the market that it's not allowing for Ethereum to catch up. So again, 1, 2. Someone could argue this would have been a third peak, and then we were looking for action to downside. Upon breaking that confirmation, which we did. And we did move down a bit right on that third peak. But again, on the daily, on the 4 hour, it looks a little bit different. So again, different time scales. Different things to look at, right? It is a good group here, man. I really don't care about it hotboxing. Anyways, that is it for Ethereum. Let's go to Binance and figure out what is happening there, man. What is happening there, man? Awesome, Binance. High to low, high to low, high to low. Neutral at 62.44. That is it, dude. Sorry, bought at 62.44. Nothing happening here that is bearish. Again, whatever we have is just continuation of this hidden bullish. We're still trying to go up on that. That's all good. And impulse up, flagging, consolidation happening above that 236. Not seeing a lot here for Binance. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. High to low, high to low, high to low. Neutral at 57. You know, I have to take that deepest point here, and it'll be low, negative, low, high, and then low, high. So I'm not having anything here that is bullish. I already established that. Short term, we don't have anything bullish either. Low, high, negative, last negative, low, high. Neutral 57.02. Again, not a lot of things happening with Binance. Here we had that bullish divergence. We did try to break to the upside. We did move down still slightly more since we last looked at this. By 3 in the morning, we created more of that divergence still, right? Look from here to here. And with that, we get the action to the upside. Great. Now we are creating strong bearish here on the 1 hour chart. So a lot of stuff happening on the 1 hour, but not a lot of stuff happening on the 4 hour or the daily for Binance. And with that, I mean, you get an idea how the market is just really not doing a lot. It was high point to low point, and then also here, high to low, right? It's all good. It's all the same. Strong bearish divergence. Now, are we creating hidden bullish? That'll be a good question. I'm not sure, man. Negative, less negative, low to high. Neutral 44.33. Right on. Let's go check out Litecoin. $208. On the daily, the hidden bullish, high to low, and then high to low. Neutral, bought at 60.55. Not a lot happening on Litecoin on the daily. On the 4 hour, bearish divergence. We moved down and hit that 20. We actually have been wicked at 60%, 50%, $190.87, and we're bouncing from it. Again, that is fine. Low, high, negative, low, high, and negative. All right, so nothing bullish, right? Low to high, negative. That's not even low to high still. Bought at 64.82, so nothing bullish, just bouncing at support and probably following Bitcoin. And then let's go here to on the 1 hour chart. High to low, low to high. Again, from here to here on this small move. We're getting some hidden bearish divergence. That's about it. I think yesterday we did the 1 hour Litecoin, by the way. I think I skipped over it. Then lower, negative. Are we going more negative? Yes, we are. Right. So low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower still. Nothing here. Again, finding support, bouncing, following Bitcoin and company. Low, high, and then low to high. So nothing bearish right now. Bought at 62.89. That's for Litecoin. Let's go to where the RSR, man. Where are the RSR at, man? Here it be, man. Here it be. RSR at 7.16. Again, bearish divergence, move down after hitting a head and shoulders inverse pattern move completion, which it's fine. Again, measure move completion, right? Not pattern completion. Pattern completion puts it much higher. And that we're sitting bought at 61.93. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour chart, we're struggling with the previous 100% high from way back somewhere where we pegged this 100% high. So we're struggling with it. Bearish divergence move down. Again, we're looking for this hidden bullish, which still had, again, given some support, but still below that 20. We have not been able to get above that 20 and close. So not looking too hot for RSR. It could still be going down. The fact that it's failing to get above that 20, even get above its previous high here of 100%. And we are sitting neutral at 53.37. Then on the 1 hour, we're looking for the bullish divergence. We went up, hit the 20, rejected, went lower. Guess what? Low, lower, negative, less negative. Awesome. With that, we have some strong bullish divergence here for the RSR. And again, I don't think we went to RSR 1 hour yesterday because I don't have this line and I should have this line. Interesting. Very, very interesting, sir. So right here, and again with that bullish divergence, actually the upside we popped. That is great. High to low, high to low. I'm not gonna go with this one. There's islands here in the middle that we gotta account for, and yeah, push back down a bit. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high, neutral at 52.11. Bitcoin Cash, sure, man. Let's go to RS. Oh, that's it, RSR. Let's go to DVT, man. DVT ain't the greatest, but we know it's being manipulated to some extent, right? Why is it not loading? Well, that's awkward. Load. Awesome. Someone
The
coming
work
through.
ethic is incredible. Keep up the good work for us.
Collect. Thank you very much for that. I appreciate it.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. There it is.
Thank you very much.
Thanks so much for that, man. I really appreciate that. It's so cool. Yeah, thanks so much for the kind donation. Let's move on to this. Is it loading, man? Jake, can you just log on to South Exchange? It's giving me a problem, dude. It's not letting me load. So I don't think I'm gonna be able to do DVT right now. I'm gonna skip over it. Hopefully it'll get resolved. Let's go to ADA right now. Paula, sure, man. Dimitri Norman, Floppy Moscato here, man. Just had the name left. Awesome. CHC, it is on the list, dude. I just haven't updated the list. I didn't even open the list today. Is it scrolling? Is it the right list? I forgot to open up that and start fixing it up throughout the stream. So, one quick second, guys. That was my bad. I knew I was forgetting something when I started streaming. I was like, I think I got everything ready. And now I noticed that I forgot to open up this notepad and update the list. So I haven't updated anything after DBT. So we're gonna do this. Data. I already had it in the list, by the way, right? So I just wasn't showing on the updated list. So GRT, CHC, BCH, and PHALA. There we go. That is that, dude. Pancake swap? Yeah, if I can find it. Yeah, dude. All right. There we go. Again, guys, if you want to get access to our awesome emojis of Seamus doing stuff and shenanigans like this, make sure you join our membership on join, right? You'll see next to subscribe the little blue square that says join. You can join there, and then you'll get access to this awesome emojis that we're putting up. Also the badges that we're doing. So cool stuff with that. Again, if you want to get a ticker like the one that's scrolling on the bottom of the chart that right now says loading, make sure you go to cryptocoindisplay.com and use your code StateOfCrypto for a 10% discount on the tickers, right? And you can get tickers in different colors, and it's really cool, man. I really like the ticker, man. Thanks for SKL. It's pumping. Yeah, I assume, dude. I mean, it has some bearish divergence. It can still go higher. It's really bullish right now. Big chance that divergence is not going to play out. For some reason, did it load now? It did. Awesome. Let's say longer than usual, I guess, to load. For some reason. Right. So, look, DVT. I'm not worried about it. Some positions have it. It has gone down tonight, even down to 8. But look at these positions up here. Look how weak they are, man. 138, 135. There are some 10,000. That's fine. But look at all these positions. 148, 148, 148, 150, 151. 153, 153, 153. Again, repeated numbers. So someone's trying to like mess around with the book. Look at how many positions. Like this is $1, man. Or it's even less than $1. 153 DVTs is nothing. Like they're just basically clogging up the book, and they want to drive the price down so they can buy it lower. So some whale is really screwing up with the volume, which again kind of sucks. So we'll see what happens there, man. I kind of hate what's happening with it because it's so low cap that it's easy to manipulate it. It just kind of sucks that people are, trying to screw people over instead of really just getting regular market motion, right? So let's get this MACD and RSI. So do we go ahead and buy them as a group? Dude, no. You can't fix the market. At some point in time, I was like thinking, why? Again, this is just an idea, right? Like, why don't like a lot of people get together and say, well, put in $10, or sorry, $1,000 each, or $500 each, or $200 each. Get enough people to where you have like $5,000-$6,000, maybe even $10,000, and just buy the book up, and then put a huge buy wall, someone higher, and then like screw them back up, right? Whoever's trying to like pump this down. So yeah, I mean, it's weird. It's weird how people try to like dump on the market just for fun, though, right? Oh, dude, I removed the MACD. Jeez. Accidental discharge of the MACD. Let's go higher. There you go. Again, don't fix the market. Don't do any market manipulation. It's not good. Low. Again, coming in lower, negative, less negative. There's some bullish divergence here. Strong bullish divergence to that for potential action to the upside. So that'll be awesome if we get this to trigger and get the price of DVT to go higher. Again, this is happening here on the 1 hour, happening against the MACD and the RSI, right? So that being said, let's look at the 4 hour chart. See what we have here. Lower negative, less negative, right? Also some strong bullish divergence on the 4 hour chart. It wouldn't be weird if this starts pumping on technicals, but again, it's so low cap that it can get easily manipulated, and that kind of sucks actually. Again, strong bullish, and on the daily, low to high, negative, more negative, hidden bullish, right? So we have hidden bullish, strong bullish, right? Hidden on the daily, and then strong on the 4 hour and the 1 hour. And we also have here against the RSI, right? So not just against the MACD. And with that, we should be getting action to the upside. We're starting to get some today. Let's see if we can keep this going and fight them dumpers, the market dumpers. Matic, holy, I'm glad I invested at 10 cents. Interesting, I haven't looked at Matic. Let's go to ADA. ADA, what's up with ADA, man? Seamus can turn into a cat sometimes. When he's not too drunk. He does leprechaun magic and he turns into a cat. Anyways, what do we have here? On ADA, let's go to daily. It's doing the nothingness dance. It's just moving below 100%. Again, sideways motion. Hidden bullish, sideways motion. Not really happening here. Neutral at 55.48. 4-hour chart. Just bleeding and bouncing up support. Yeah. Again, we're kind of breaking this triangle that we had. I think it's from the 1 hour, maybe. It's really not. It's failing to perform, dude.
Can you check CRO coin? Thanks.
Yo, sure, man. Thanks, SBCA. There we go.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is awesome. Thank you very much for that, dude. I appreciate it. CRO, sure, man. Right after ADA. Let's look at where we had it again. Could be looking at a different pattern, though, right? Maybe. So. I was using the wicks here for this. So let's go with those wicks there. There we go. Anyways, we had the bearish divergence, hidden action downside. That is fine. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Neutral at 43.52. So not a lot here on the 4 hour. Low, lower, negative, less negative, and then low, high in this last bit. So not looking too bad. It's starting to create some strong bullish divergence. Let's see if we can actually get this one to play out. Last one played, right? Look, we had the bullish divergence drop. Then we create more bullish divergence to here. Right, I'm going to take this one and show you how I would have basically tracked this. Bullish divergence, action to the upside pump, hit that 20, reject it, move lower, right? That's what happens sometimes. We hit the 20, we reject, look lower areas of value. So we keep on tracking. We're going to here. There's a negative momentum island. This is tiny. You cannot see it. All right. There we go. And on that last move, we also have it here against the RSI, right? Low to high. Jeez, it's not picking the tool. There we go. Get out of that tool. I ordered it. Here we go. Action upside, going up, hitting that 20 and rejecting slightly, right? Not too bad. It's doing okay. It's doing okay. Neutral 43.76. That's it for ADA. Let's go to Crow. The Crow. Again, Crow playing beautifully, right? Hail over targets. We already talked about this. Let's get on the daily. It's gonna look really messy because of the fibs. That's fine. High to low, high to low, high to low. Nothing here that is bearish. It's looking good. Above that 236 on the major fibs. And retracing to its previous high, which is here at, I mean, high. When I talk about highs, I'm talking about closing, not wicks high, right? I would say it's a wick high when I talk about the all-time high or something like that. And if not, I'll just talk about, like, you know, highs. It is not the all-time high wick. The all-time high wick's all the way over here, which could be bad data, actually, right? Anyways, trying to reclaim this previous high of 22.54 cents. Right now, it's sitting at 19.87 cents. So on the 4 hour, we're getting the action to the upside. We had the 3 rising valley pattern, 1, 2, 3, getting that pump, great, coming down slightly, finding support at 1618, and then pumping more. On these pumps, we're not creating anything bearish, at least not to here. I gotta zoom in here for this last bit. We might have something on the RSI, and yeah, it is there. It's just hard to see on when the chart is expanded. So we gotta like make this a little bit larger so we can look at it more in depth and see that we have that bearish divergence. And on that note, we're going low to high again also. And like I said, not too bad. So bearish divergence might start to put some pressure on the price to go down. We'll see. Market overall is really, really bullish, right? What is Crow all-time high? Ooh, that's a good question. Waiting for it to load. That wick really throws everything off, dude. I'm just gonna have to. I'm not sure if that wick is legit. Sorry, like, let me go to this chart real quick and see if we have this also. Yeah, here we also have a wick, but it's not as crazy, right? Here, that wick goes to. Let me zoom in more. 25.64 cents. And I was trying to see if this was the all-time high. It isn't. We do have an all-time high here, closer, I think. I'm looking at all the data here. Yeah, I'm looking at all the data here. Interesting. Does this chart have more data then? No, right? All the closes here were lower, and then the close over here will be the high. So its all-time high closing on the 4-hour chart would be at around 26 and change. Close at 26.80. That's what we're looking at. Yeah, it's very close to it. So, and then the wick on the 1 hour, it will look different. We'll look at it again on the 1 hour. So bearish divergence, extra downside. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour. All-time high closing would be here at 27.20. And then all-time high wick would be at 33.99, I think. If we ignore that other outlier that's out there, that was like it's $2 or some crazy stuff like that. Anyways, bearish divergence, move down on that. That is fine. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low, high. Then low, high, negative, less, negative, low, high. Again, you could say that we're starting another 1, 2, 3, right? But no, you do want to come in a downtrend. We're actually starting to go up again. What?
The work ethic is incredible. Keep up the good work for us.
Yo, thank you very much for that, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you
very much.
Hey, Alex, and outstanding also. Dude, thank you very much for that, Alex. Yo. It's crazy.
Can you check CRO coin? Thanks.
Are like they replaying from the previous time? Or am I having a problem here that they're just replaying again? Weird.
Hi Martin, thanks for a great Steam. Look at SKL. It's new on Coinbase.
Like, why are they replaying, dude? That's awkward.
4-leaf clover, beer, comma 4-leaf clover. Warn us so we can put on our shades.
Why is this? Why is this replaying,
Martin, all
dude?
you need is a high and tight army fade. Smiley face, smiley face, smiley face, smiley face.
What the hell? Why is this glitching? What the hell? This is probably a problem from.
$10 if you take off the hat for 5 seconds.
Yeah. It's
Never
weird.
seen Martin with glasses on. I feel complete now.
It's awkward that it's starting to replay everything. That's so freaking awkward. I've never seen a glitch like that. Seamus hacked it. Yeah. That's weird. I think that's everything. All right, awesome. That being out of here, let's move and look at what's at hand. It's weird. Yeah, awkward. Anyways, let's keep rolling here. We have bearish divergence. Fraction downside potentially on Crow. And then high to low as well. I'm gonna look at Crow, something different, right? Crow here again. We do have target for this to the upside a lot higher than the rest. I want to see something here in the 4 hour. Ooh, no cup and handle. Dude, no cup and handle. I was gonna say this looks like a good cup here, and then this could be a good handle, but I do believe that's weird, and we're not getting. Oh, we could be getting that 30+% rally from here to here. We consider this to be the cup lip, and but that lip's so much higher. So this could look like a cup and handle of sorts. I really need to check this one out because this one's gonna be tricky, right? I'm not seeing that well-rounded bottom here for the cup, right? You don't want it to be V-shaped or anything like that. Well-rounded. And this looks like pipes, by the way. That's also another pattern. Let's see if I can show you this one real quick. Need to find pipe tops. Here we go. Pipe tops look like this. And on a chart, that would look like this, right? There's two large outliers that play, and pipe tops usually come on a bull market. It would be a 421 play. It is a decline of 20%, so we're not looking at actually the upside here by any means. This could mean that we're going to go down. I'm not sure. I don't believe this is going to play though, right? I don't believe this is a play right now, those pipe tops. But I'm spotting them and I'm showing you because it's really weird sometimes that we see this pipe tops here on crypto, particularly on the daily. Anyways, trying to climb high to low, high to low. Neutral at 67. We already did grow. I wanted to look at this in the 4 hour because I want to see if 1, 2, 3. This will be the 3 rising valley that I looked at. So that's fine. Should make sure I wasn't missing anything here on grow. I'll be right back, guys. I'll be right back. Stick with me for a second. I'm back. Thank you for that. Sorry about that. Went to get a glass with ice and gonna crack open a bottle of whiskey for tonight because I do want to drink some whiskey. There we go, man. Awesome. Whiskey. Thank you very much. Check this out. Let's keep rolling. Gavin, what's up? Yo, Gavin Hype in the house.
What's up?
There we go. Awesome. We have the Gavin in the house. Who else here? Oh, dude. Thank you guys for waiting for me to that small break. Brent's in the house also. Awesome, dude. So, cheers, guys. I hope you're having a good Thursday night. I am having a great Thursday night. Crypto's moving up. Bitcoin did move up. It's pulling back down a little bit, but again, hit one of the targets, 58K. Great. Ooh, this one's actually good. I think this is a cherry cask one. Ooh, I like it. Yeah, it's a cherry cask one. Seamus, you drunk? Oh, that sucks. It sucks, mate. Let's go to GRT. Seamus, stop drinking. It's bad for you. It's bad for the channel, man. don't reflect good on us. It don't reflect good on us, man. GRT. Let's do the GRTT-ness. What are we doing here, man? The GRT, is it moving? Is it pumping? What is it doing? Everyone wants to know. A lot of people liking that girth, man. High to low, high to low, high to low. Nothing here that is bullish. On the daily, moving down a little bit. Still between that 236 and that 382. In that 20. Trying to find support there. Yeah, neutral at 51.36. Let's go to the 4-hour, man. Let's see 4-hour chart. Again, bearish divergence. Action and downside. Low to high, negative, more negative. Great. We have this hidden bullish divergence that is being developed here for action to the upside. GRT's dumping. How much is it moving down, dude? 13%. Yeah, maybe. I mean, it hadn't gone... Here got good pullback, but it's not a dump like this one, right? Look at it. Not really worried about it yet. It's still consolidating. It's still in the channel, right? It tried to break that 236. It says hell no with that bearish divergence. Moved down. Now we're currently hit bullish. We might try to be holding on to staying within this channel. So we're just below that 20. So I'm not really worried about it. Korean bad side. It's okay so far. Neutral 40.39. Almost sold. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. On the 1 hour, again, we had a triangle. Broke it to the downside. Try to break back in. Fake out. And now we're moving down. I do believe we might be getting hit off the triangle measure move, maybe. So something like that. Breaking down. Are we hitting it? Yeah, almost a measure move of that triangle. So not doing too bad again. On a move down. Yo, are we doing something? Low, lower, negative, less negative. Right, some bullishness here. It's just very small in this last tiny bit. And from here to here, that's fine. Sold at 30.49. Again, we have the strong bullish right now. It might not hold. It's very small. It can still dump more. You're to this negative momentum, and this is still pointing down, right? By all means, right now we're still looking at a move down on that RSI. That said, that's it for GRT. Someone said cheese. I think it's cheese. Not sure what coin is this. Is it a cheese coin? Cheese coin at 39 cents. I'm not sure what coin is this. It's CHC. So we're gonna go with cheese coin. We'll call it the Chuck E. Cheese coin at US dollar. Almost 40 cents. 39.17. Great. What's it doing, man? So again, oh, we looked at this once. Doesn't this have like a weird name? I can't remember. It's cheese coin though. Interesting. Again, yep. Whatever we have, we no longer have. We're going higher, which is good. And it always good, man. Get rid of this. Chili's coin? Ooh, maybe. That's the name? Chili's? Awesome, dude. So let's go eat some Chili's coins. And, I'm just gonna call it cheese coin. I think cheese coin sounds more attractive than Chili's coins. Going higher, and going higher, dude. 93.54, 94. All right, we're going slightly lower here on the RSI. It's just slide, and it's just because we're freaking highly overbought, not because we have anything else going on here. So with this, I'm looking at bearish divergence, potential action to downside. Oh no, there we go, and still overbought, right? And at this level, being overbought means nothing when we're highly overbought. A bullish market can't stay overbought for a long time, so not really caring too much about that. Now, here we have that strong bearish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. Here we go. That's healthy bearish divergence. That might put some pressure on the price to go down and your wallet to go empty, depending on how much you hold of this. And if it actually triggers, again, market conditions are extremely bullish. It might not trigger, right? At least for this project, they're extremely bullish. Again, bearish divergence, action to the downside, move down. Here we had bearish divergence, we moved down, hit that 20 bounce more. Great. Again, let's go to the 1 hour chart. Low to high, and then here we're going high to low. So again, have that bearish divergence fraction to the downside. With that, we are moving down. Here in the last bit, also strong bearish divergence. Why not? It's there. It's bearish divergence for everyone. You get a bearish divergence, you get a bearish divergence, you get a bearish divergence. Here we go, bearish divergence. Action downside. Great. Oh, this is really good. I like this one. I might go buy another one. Ooh, that's tasty. Particularly when you compare it with the Japanese whiskey that I had that I didn't like. So, that's gonna be for the cheese coin. Let's go to Bitcoin Cash. Gimme! No, you gotta come and get it, dude. You can't get it. I still don't know what this thing is. It looks like a weird something, like an X or a maybe the pattern of the next World Cup soccer ball. I'm not sure. Tell. Sure. Willy why? Is it a good time to buy alts? Depends what alts, man, right? There's so many alts out there. Is it a good time? Is it ever a good time to buy? That is a question, right? Depends on what project, bro. It's a very, very broad question with a very, very broad answer. Anyways, go to high. Into the bearish divergence here. Lay down on Bitcoin Cash. Let's get on the daily. Is it the Bitcoin Cash we'll look at? Yes, hidden bullish. Rallying on that. Great. Not a lot. High to low, high to low, high to low. Neutral at 52.04. So again, still between that 236 and that 382. Not a lot happening there. Let's move on and check out something else. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour, it's climbing. So from here to here. And it's a 4 hour, sorry. It has to stay in the 4 hour. Right. And high to low, right? Strong bearish divergence against MACD and the RSI, potential correction to the downside. Great. It's moving down on it. Hit that 20, trying to take a pop, failing to get higher in the previous high, thus continuation of the bearishness. Awesome. Do we have something else here? Oh, don't know. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. Great. High to low, high to low, high to low. Nothing here. We had some bearish divergence back here, man, but that's about it. From here to here, and from here to here. Again, bearish divergence, actually downside, that's it. Not a lot happening. It's still upsloping, right? Still climbing slowly. It's just having some of that bearish divergence. Not really doing a lot, man. The likes are looking bearish? Yes, they are. Thank you for saying that, so okay. If you don't like what we do, hit the like button on the sub. Join us on Discord. Links pinned at the top of the chat. Let's go over here. High to low, high to low, high to low. Neutral at 49.37. That's it for Bitcoin Cash. Again, really not doing much. Let's go to Fala. This is a weird name. It sounds like something else. Hoping for a Bitcoin Cash pump? Maybe, dude. I mean, it's not out of the question. If Bitcoin keeps on rallying, it will keep on rallying, right? Oh, look at this. It's going high right now. Jeez. What's happening with this? Why is this pumping so much, dude? 30%. Great. Higher, dude. Some hidden bullish, but this does not come from bullish divergence. This comes from really somewhere else. It came from beyond. Right, high to low, and then high to low. Here we had some bearish divergence. It's just Again, barely there, man. Ruben C got it. It sounds like that precisely, man. I'm not gonna say it on the stream, but that is precisely what the word sounds like. Why is this project name like this? Really? Who picks his names? Why would you name your name after something like that? So. No, we have a corn killer. Awesome. He must be eating a lot of cereal. 4-hour chart. Ooh. High to low. High to low, and then low to high. Jeez. Why? Why are you here? Why are you here? What's your purpose? There are some bearish divergence. On the 4-hour chart. Great. Here we go. And low to high, man. That's it. Bearish divergence. Hidden. Actually, the downside. Great. Low to high, native was native. High to low. Awesome. I guess this works also, right? Hidden bullish. Pumping that. Now we're creating strong hidden bearish. Let's see if that gets us to go down again. Not really liking this, by the way. It's not giving us a clear read on the market, right? It's just consolidating. Actually, you know what? I haven't fibbed this, so I'm actually going to fib it first. So we can get better targets, because these just ain't doing it for me. Let's go from here to here. On them fibs, man. On them fibs. From here to here. Why are you not picking the fibs? Here we go. From here to here. There we are. Here we are. Thank you. Has things been requested? Nope. It's all good. Anyways, dude. Again. Bouncing. Great. It hit its previous high. Let's go to the 4-hour again. See where we're at. Right on. So that bearish divergence is putting that pressure on the price. Great. Let's go on the 1 hour. Nothing here that is bearish or bullish. That's just it. It's there. Fallow, dude. High, higher, high, positive. Positive, high, higher. Low, lower, negative, more, negative, low, lower. Period. It's done. Let's go Pancake. Is that just cake? Or is this another one? I think Pancake is cake, right? Or is cake different than Pancake? I can't remember. There's so many DeFi projects out there, man. Who wants cake? I want cake. What? I'm not sure what's happening in the chat. Some people now saying, now chill, don't spam. What? Cake is pancake. No, cake is cake. Pancakes are pancakes. Pancakes are flapjacks. And then cake is tasty and it's multi-layered. Why they named this cake? They should have just named it Pancake or some abbreviation of it. They should have just named this High Hop for all I care. Like IHOP, and that's it. And then we know it's the International House of Pancakes. But no, they went with cake. And now it's confusing because cakes are so tasty, man. They're supposed to have multiple layers and filling and frosting and awesome things like that. And this is just like plain pancake, dude, with maple syrup. Ooh, someone wants Matic and SLK. Oh, I have. Oh, there we go, man. Is that it? Oh, snap. I was looking at top chat for some reason. That is weird. I never changed that. SLK Matic. SLK Matic. Right. SLK Matic. Chill, man. I wrote it down. Man. Oh, that's weird, man. I wonder how much chat I missed because of this. It's interesting. Weird, man. It's not actually giving me any chat farther up, but that's awkward. Yeah, it's weird, right? Interesting. Pancake. Do this. Let's go. Now let me spam also. I didn't miss the most important things in life. Spam. Chris, thank you for being here, man. I'm not sure if that's good or bad, Chris. Hello, hello, hello. Neutral at 52.58. Did they name you Cake because you're tasty? Because you're fluffy? I'm not sure. Let me know in the chat. Low to high. Hello. Again, bearish divergence moving down. Low to high. Dude. Negative sideways motion and low to high also. Nothing anything here that is bullish right now in Cake. So let's go on the we had the bearish divergence, that's it. Can we look at Charizard? Yeah, we already looked at Charizard, man. I'll do it in a recap. Oh no, we haven't looked at that one. It was cheese. Now we gotta look at Charizard. Anyways, let's roll. Bearish, move down. Great. Low, lower, negative, less, negative. Bullish divergence, strong. Look at it, it'd be strong, like a bull. Potential action to the upside. Sold at 35.63, that is it for Cake. It's looking tasty. It looks like it could pop, but again, it has to break above that 382 before it looks tastier. So it's looking okay. It's not looking too bad. Again, it's just a lot of chop going sideways, right? It's still gonna play for quick turnarounds, I guess, but not really seeing anything else. Gustavo, thank you very much for being here. The lead indicator is so cool. Oh, thanks, man. I appreciate it. It comes from cryptocoindisplays.com. And you can find a link in the description. And if you use State of Crypto as your code, you get 10% discount, which is awesome. What? Says you're breaking my bid balls. Me? Capital? Or who? I'm not sure. Ethereum recap? Yeah, sure, man. Do it in a second. We'll also recap Bitcoin, right? Cake has destroyed my dreams of childhood. Interesting. God. Because is there where you put the icing? I'm not sure. That's a weird comment. Not getting it, man. Alright, you really don't want to look too much into that, I guess. Capital B. Why? Let me know. Nothing here. Nothing else that this bullish divergence strong that it's failing to play right now. Because it's just developing. It's just being developed right now. So let's wait for it to finish developing. We might get action to have some Cake. Let's go to Tell. Please tell. Here we go, man. SKL, por favor. We already did that one. We'll recap it. What? Chris just donated a cake. I think it's a purple cake. Yeah, it might be purple or blue. I'm not sure. With pink icing, maybe.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. You cake dude. Thank you very much. Thank you for the cake. I appreciate that. That's it for Cake, dude. Let's move on to Tell. Tell more. On the daily. Higher, dude. Hello. Jesus. On the daily, it has bearish divergence against the RSI, not against the MACD. The MACD is actually doing good. Had that hidden bullish. Great, man. It's looking just peachy. Let's keep rolling, man. Let's keep doing this. You can do it. You can do it, man. Action to the upside. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Greg, I haven't. Thank you for asking. 3, 2, 87, 44, 87, 57, slightly higher. Coming up higher and higher in all accounts. Geez, nothing here that is bearish. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we have bearish divergence also. Ooh, potential for actually downside. On this one, I'm actually going to get 5 extensions to show, because why not? We're here. It's a party. Hello. And high too low, right? There's bearish divergence strong as the MACD and the RSI. We're bought at 80.54. High too low. Very close. Finding support at the 3618. Yar. That's it. Let's move on to something else, man. Can you look at the fib retrace extension? Yes, I'm doing fib retrace extensions right now. Colorblind does colorblind things. That cake is pink. Okay. That's good. Still cake and it was delicious. Let's keep moving. Is Bitcoin going to... Is Bitcoin going TP the moon? If it gets close to the moon, it could TP it for sure. I'm not sure if it has TP on board, but yeah, very likely. I think so, man. I can still see it going above 60K, unless we do create that double top. Then maybe not. But for now, it's looking good. Oh, dude. Someone was typing SLK. I hope they meant SLK and not SKL, because. Yep, they probably meant SKL, and they were spamming it SLK all over the chat. So, going back to do SKL in a bit. Let's go to Matic. I'll recap in a second, right? We'll recap. I have Matic and Charizard in the list, and that's it. Matic. Ja, didn't you say you actually switched to this? I'm not sure if you're still here with us, Ja, but if you are, I thought you said you bought Matic. Ja, buying the Matic. What is happening with this Matic? Someone said they saw a double top in another chat I'm in. Yo, I know, there's a double top. We talked about it since yesterday. So, yeah. Matic on the daily. It is pumping quite a bit. Yesterday it pumped insane, 42%. Today pumping 14%. What a beast. Oh my goodness, it looks so awesome. It is going higher. And it is here. 89% actually on a wick. Interesting. Interesting. On Bitcoin, I need more TP. Yeah. We're looking for something bearish. We did get that move down slightly and then pumping back up. That is great. We no longer have it. It's shaking it off. It's shaking it off. There we go, man. Let's get rid of this stuff. Let's get rid of this stuff. I mean, geez, from way back here, we could say, yo, we have that hidden bear. We have the strong bearish divergence. Direction downside. Again, we're bought. Yeah, and I said, sure. Why not? We can call that one. It's still there against the RSI. It's very real. 0.9 it. That's that. Let's go to the 4 hour. Look at the Matic pump. Made like 500. Interesting. That is cool. Congrats. For reals, congrats. If you caught it and you made money, I'm happy for you guys. That's what it's all about, right? Making money. High, higher. High, higher, and then high. Slightly higher. Overbought at 77.24, so I'm not going to give it anything bearish here. Let's go to the 1 hour Matic. The green portfolio. Beebeth. Beebeth. What's wrong with you, man? Something like that, right? Yo, bearish divergence. It's here. Alright, so against the MACD, we can say we were doing weak bearish divergence, and against the RSI, we can say we're doing strong bearish divergence. Fractional downside, going to bot at 68.05. Great, that's it for Matic, dude. Again, really not seeing a lot here, right? We could fib some short fibs here. That might work. Fraction downside. So anyone see my... No one can see it, Brand. It's so tiny, it actually got lost. Hitting that 4618. Scale never ending pump. Not a bad impression. Yo, thanks, man. I appreciate that.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Scale is ripping. It's ripping someone. We're gonna go to it again, man. We're gonna go to it again. Again, we have this bearish divergence for potential action to downside. That's it. Bought at 68.09. Let's go to the Charizard and then we'll go look at the scale. I mean, if it's pumping, right? 1 inch is 1 inch, you reckon? Yo, yeah. I mean, microscopic 1 inches are still microscopic 1 inches. All good, brother. We don't judge you. Judge not a man by the size of the unit of currency he holds, but by the matter of his soul or something. I'm not sure. We should come up with a saying for that. Did you buy at 58K? Then no. Who bought at 58K? Oh, I understand now. I get it. All of a sudden, everything's been revealed. Look at the Charizard coin, pumping a lot. Looks like something we looked at already. Or bought 94.65. It looks like the cheese coin also, I think. Going higher and higher, so nothing bearish. Jeez, we're out of this. It's awesome. It's starting to flag a little bit. Can we actually... This is going to be interesting. I'm going to try to move the fibs, so I can't remember where I anchor them to, though. So let's get here on the daily again. I might be able to reposition them real quick. And say, well, that's no longer high, but this is our high. I actually have to fib the opposite, but... Yeah, I have to fib the opposite. Let's go from the lowest point of the abyss to the highest point ever reached by this product. So we can get the fibs. Create the targets to the upside. That's fine. Again, from low to high, that's 100% high. We have not made a valid retrace here. We're doing it on the 4 hour though. 4 hour. Ooh, interesting. Anchoring a little bit different here, but yes, we're doing a valid retrace, so it's all good. Why don't my messages show up? LOL. I'm not sure. SLK. Right, I'm gonna do it in a second, dude. Are you sure it's SLK? SLK is a stock. You want SKL, right? Just please let me know if it's SKL. That came. Did you super chat again, or? That's weird. It's not coming through here on the super chat. So I'm not sure because they've been like double playing, so it's weird. I guess you super chat again, Chris. Thank you very much for that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. There it is. Thank you very much for that. I appreciate it, bro. SKL. All right, thanks, man. You're just spamming the wrong coin. So when I looked at it, it was a stock. So yeah, I'll look at it in a second, bro. Ooh, doesn't matter, says SKL pump because it hit Coinbase. Interesting. Remember what happens when they hit exchanges, right? They do tend to come with pullback. So on the 4 hour, we are clear. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. There's nothingness here. Do have some hidden divergence. Ooh, Greg. Super chatting.
HOGE Finance.
Yo, thank you very much for that, brother. Appreciate that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is so cool. Thank you very much, Greg. I really, really appreciate that, dude. That is awesome, for reals. Thank you very much for your kind donation, sir. I will, yes, definitely look at the HOGE finance right after I finish this one. The HOGE, let's look at it, man. High to low, bearish divergence, strong action to downside, moving down, low to high. Jeez, we're creating some head bullish. Me at the here, I'm from here to here. That's it. Neutral at 52.21. This is for the Charizard. Let's go to HOGE. So we're gonna do this HOGE finance thing, and then we'll see, right? After this one, we recap, including SKL, bro, because SKL, why not, right? We said the HOGE. Wet. Look, it's a wet HOGE. That's just an Uniswap. Zam just lost its step. Cool. On the daily, it's just been dropping forever into oblivion. And now there's nothing to chart here. There's nothing to chart because it doesn't have anything as a MACD and RSI, right? Not because I don't want to chart it. It just doesn't have anything right now. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we do have something. We're tightening a lot of those boundary bands. We're not really doing that good, right? Look, high to low, and then high to low also. It's nothing bearish, nothing bullish, just a lot of tightness, man. Going down against wet Ethereum. I'm kidding, it's wrapped Ethereum. What is your ETA? 260K. But I'm not driving, dude. We're gonna see in a second, though, Joe. Give me a second. All right. Matic in the moon. Have you done Bitcoin recently? We did at the beginning of the stream, dude. I haven't gone back to it, so. I do it every night, man. It's the first coin we'll look at. Nothing on the 4-hour. Let's go here on the 1-hour HOGE. Yeah, look, there's something good here. Not sure how strong it's gonna be. Primary target is gonna be the 20 moving average. You're doing all-time lows on this. By the looks of it. Yeah, you're doing all-time lows. Forever and ever and ever. It says its lowest price. So if you're just buying into it, you're probably okay. If you bought into it at the beginning, I feel your pain. I've been through that. I held through RSR massive drop of 70+%. But now I'm good on it. Again, not price, right? It supports NFTs. These definitely hold. Mana 2. All right. What do we have here? Strong bullish. Potential correction to the upside. I can't fib it because we're doing all-time lows. So there's no way I can actually fib this. Need to make it a low and confirm it to be a local low so we can actually start fibbing and getting retraces. But right now it's at its lowest price ever. So, oh, sorry, it's gaining against wrapped Ethereum. I'm looking at this the inverse, right? Yeah. Because wrapped Ethereum is losing against it. I've been calling it the opposite. Jesus, man. I was twisted with this one. So give me 1 second. Huh. Bob Video says, hi, buddy. Litecoin looks to be bullish divergence from Bitcoin. Can you look at this? I feel like breakout strong if Bitcoin stops dropping. Interesting. Yeah, we can check it out. 1 second, man. Yeah, so Ethereum is less every time for more HOGE. So yeah, it's dropping. It's actually gaining against Ethereum. Awesome, dude. I was looking at this the inverse. Ah, it's actually gaining, I think. It just looks weird here. Oh, double Ethereum is losing against HOGE, so it is actually HOGE is winning against Ethereum. It's at an all-time high. Great. Let's go to something else. This is trippy. I hate when the charts look like this, and I cannot look at the pair to the other one. So it's the inverse. It is the inverse. Let's go to look at the recaps. So someone's been screaming bloody murder for SKL, so let's go look at that one first. Scales of somethingness. What is your favorite crypto YouTuber? John, I don't watch a lot of YouTubers, but Tom Crown does some good TA as well, so you can go check him out. And he's cool, so I would say Tom Crown would be one. And I don't have a least favorite because I don't watch, for reals, I don't watch a lot of crypto YouTubers, man. I only watch Tom every now and then. I try to support him with views. Sometimes I just like playing, but I'm not really watching or listening. I just leave it playing for the views and the likes. Sometimes I am participating there to, you know, also show engagement. But Tom would definitely be one. And who else, man? Interesting. I have no clue, man. I really don't watch a lot of YouTubers, man. I used to watch Mitch Ray a while back. I stopped. SKL just added to Coinbase, so it's ripping. It's ripping, dude. Anyways, that's it for Hoagie. Let's go to SKL. At $1.20. It's still a pumping, man. It's still a pumping. It's still going higher. Look at that mighty pump of green. Wow. Oh, someone's saying crypto jab. Travis, crypto jab, favorite or not favorite? I'm not sure I got that, but interesting. I think I've seen him once or twice. I'm not really watching him that often, so I could not give you an opinion. BitBoy, I haven't seen either, man. So I only saw him when he interviewed Tom, and that's it. Someone saying that Moon, Crypto, Tone Base. What? Is that bad or good? I'm not sure if you guys are mentioning the bad ones or the good ones. It's just saying names, so doesn't matter, dude. I don't think he's that bad, right? I think he's okay. I used to watch him for the longest time, a while back, so I think it was okay. Free money, good TA, yeah. The Moon, Crypto, Tone Base are the best Bitcoin analysts in the world right now. All right, cool, I get it. Oddly enough, I don't watch any of them. For real, I don't have time to watch other YouTubers, dude. So I'm like work, I'm busy with the channel, you know. That's life for me. Either I'm streaming or I'm working or finding setups now for what's coming out to the Patreons. Yo, man, what's up? That's gonna be awesome. Again, testing out 3 more patterns right now on text and playing. I'm gonna play some trades on those if things break. I'm thinking they're gonna break. Again, they're just starting to show, so they're not yet defined. Look at this, it's gone parabolic. We shall call this project the B Cup project. Well, the B Cup parabolic. I'm kidding. Travis says you're the best. Oh, thanks, man. You are the best. Thanks for being here, man.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Crypto Cat Lover says they don't take advice from Jeff people. I'm just here to support Seamus. Oh, but you don't like Seamus. Oh, Crypto Cat Lover doesn't like Seamus. You like Seamus. Interesting. Too many YouTubers to follow, dude. I really, really don't watch other YouTubers. I should, maybe, so I could do more shout outs or plugs or whatever. But I just don't, man. I wish I had more time to do that. SKL, yeah, it's still going higher, man. I mean, nothing against it. It's gone parabolic. I said it can keep on pumping, not really care about the divergence. It's really bullish right now. I'd be worried about pullback happening. So that's the only thing I can say, right? At $1.19 right now. Yeah, Philo Martin, not financial advice, but it's raw and good TA. Not sure what you mean by raw. But awesome. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Let's SKL. Let's go to the Bitcoin. Yep, let's on the top. Here we go. Ooh, that's market. 56,690. Oh no, we are pulling back down on prices that we have not seen since yesterday. Not really. Wow, it's still swimming out. Jeez, I'm swimming the other way now. Here we go. Oh, I swim too much. Jesus, what's wrong with the mouse? Here we go. Dude, again, look, we pulled back down quite a bit and we recovered. We pulled back down quite a bit and we recovered. This is bullish. All right, look at this. Large wick to the upside, on the downside, large wick on the downside, large wick on the downside, large wick again. We're bullish, right? We're bullish. So, again, we could be opening red. You know, China might be trying to bring the price down, and then Europe and America are going to go pump it back up for the Chinese to try to dump again. You know, something like that, maybe. I'm not sure. This is for the corn. Let's go to Ethereum. Again, it's not really doing a lot, right? Let's go to the 1 hour, actually, because the 1 hour corn's where it's at. We're breaking that support. Oh, no. We already established that this support might not be the support we're looking for, right? These are not the droids you're looking for. And this could be the support we're looking for. That red line, again, is playing out a lot better as support from here, here, and then here. And I'd drawn it once. I said, it might be too far off. I'd rather go with this one. I believe it's tighter. We're getting also 1, 2, doing the support here. We broke back above it, held support twice, so confirming it is a support line at least. And then we have immediately another one down here, right? So it's not looking too bad for the corn. Let's go to Ethereum. Let's go watch that ETH. Ooh, interesting. Someone told me about that. Sure, man, we can recap Crow. I already looked at it once. So, where were we? Oh, yeah, Ethereum. Inverse head and shoulders not performing. Again, throwback. Breaking that neckline support. I'm gonna hold on at the 20, but again, at 1,800, can't complain, right? The moon said Bitcoin might be 70K in the morning. Yo, that guy is nuts. Do you believe that? 40 call predictions. I mean, is that, like, for reals? Is that the content that you guys want to get? Like, is that the content that people want to get? Like, wild calls on, like, you know, we're going to go to 100,000 by tomorrow. Is that, like, really? Because that's, I'm not sure, man. I just don't believe that's content I should produce. I like having real calls. I had calls that are based on realistic things, not, yo, we're gonna go to 1,000, we're gonna go to 1 million tomorrow, guys. Yo, everyone watch this stream. $1 million tomorrow, Bitcoin, right? It's not what we do here, man. What time does the show start? 9 p.m. Central. Thank you for asking. So Bitcoin's hitting a trillion. It already hit $1 trillion in market cap. Not sure where you wanted to hit $1 trillion. Yeah. Yeah. I'm not sure. I mean, guys, for reals. Like, there's people that just want to hear what they want to hear, right? There's people that just want to have people sweet talk into their ear and promise them things. That's probably why his name is the Moon, because he's promising the moon. But there's just people that want to go to all these YouTubers that are calling the things the greatest digital assets ever created, that their coin is the best one in the world, that tomorrow everyone's going to be rich. Maybe it reinforces something that the people want to hear. I'm not sure. I'm just like being a realist, right? I mean, 40 call says, not really. I just want everyone. All right, that's awesome, dude. So Bitcoin's not going to go to 100K within the hour? It is. It is. Next hour, Bitcoin, 100,000. You heard it here first. Come on, tell your friends. Bring everyone in. Kidding, dude. I hit something. Ethereum, go back to where you were. I summoned thee. There we go. We'll see CCK next week. It depends, right? Right now, it's right now it depends. I'll tell you why. I mean, I don't want to say that it isn't. I have targets for higher prices, and I showed them earlier. I have targets for Bitcoin at 60K, 63K, 65K, 73K, right? So there's patterns that are bullish that could play Bitcoin to those levels. What I'm worrying about Bitcoin right now, it is this here that we called yesterday on the awesome yesterdayness, which is this potential double top being formed. Now, if this double top forms and we break this neckline, we could be in for a potential 15% drop, right? So what confirmation line, what neckline, what are you talking about? Dude, you're crazy. Well, this number here. From here to here, we have the confirmation line. We're far from it. That's why I don't have it out there right now. But if we get near, we already know that we're looking at a potential level top. I don't want to get a lot of people's hopes down because we have a double top. It is a reality, right? We could form it. So, I'm trying to see this play, right? Yeah. Weird. I never watched Double M Crypto, man. So I don't watch a lot of crypto YouTubers for reals. So, cup and handle and daily Ethereum chart. Interesting. I'm not sure. I have to check. Shuffle lemons and constantly high cooking. I'm not sure, man. Maybe. Anyways, ooh, daughter's crying. Sideways motion, more or less, right? Slightly higher, but within percentages that are, it's a almost exact double top. And added to the fact that we have the bearish divergence here, it could be material for the double top to form because we already have something that's going to put pressure on the price to go down. And that could start that, effect where Bitcoin hit 48,000 again. And might pull back. Sorry, 58,000, and then pull back. So this is one of the things I'm looking at. We already established what we have for action for targets to the upside. Here on the 4-hour, we have this double bottom here that it's gonna adjust in a second because everything got shifted for some reason. There we go. Here we have that with that neckline confirmation, or breakout confirmation, broken into the upside bullishly, and we keep looking at a head of 65,000. Right, that is the measure move the pattern. Right. I've shown it on the textbook. So that's what we have for an even atom double bottom. Now, on the other hand, we have also this mythical inverse. Sorry, not here. Is it here? No, it's on this one, I think. This one. You, show where you are. Show yourself. Here we go. Complex head and shoulders inverse. We're looking at a move at least on a measure hit of 60,044. And even on a natural move of the pattern, we should be targeting more or less 73,000. Now, that complex head and shoulder has a higher probability of playing out. Head and shoulder, sorry, inverse. I'll show you in a second. I had to find this, dude. Where is it? Where is it? Where have you hidden head and shoulders? 390. Here's my trusty book of knowledge. The trusty book of knowledge says that once die have a head and shoulders. Complex. 1, 2, shoulders, head, and then 2 shoulders. Such as the one we have here. 1, 2, head, and then 2 shoulders. We are looking at a mythical rise of 39% with a 74% chance of meeting price target. Right, so he has a higher chance of meeting price target. That's why I'm leaning a lot into this, right? 74%, it's a 3 out of 4 chances that it hits that higher price. So you have a 25% chance, or actually 26% chance that is not going to hit the target, right? It might not hit it. There's a chance, right? 1/4 that it might not hit, but you have 3/4 of hitting it. So complex head and shoulders, if spotted correctly, could bring that target hit. That's why I have a target here at 73,000. Right? This here is just from head to neck. That would be my primary target. If I'm firm hitting that, I would be more confident on Bitcoin trying to make a move for this. So, That is the secret Oracle scrolls. Yes, you must not look at it. Higher powerlifting. You can only look at it when I show them to thee, because they are hidden. They're forbidden scrolls of TA. Not because the triangle is breaking out. What about Martin actually shows you the chart and then tells using it? Yeah. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Double V. And yo, by the way, again, there is this pattern again. Neckline measure 60,000. I moved something I didn't want to move. There we go. Higher pattern hit at 63,000. Right. If we go to mid target again, big chance of mid target. Right. There is textbook on that. People can argue that those books were written for stocks. Well, guess what? This trades like stocks. It's still chart patterns. A lot of people that have sentiments. It's all based in psychology. It all works the same, whether or not it's crypto. So again, the secret Oracle scrolls. Yes. Let's get 100 likes. Yo! Hey, boo-boo. Let's get 100 likes. We're bearish on them likes, man. Come on, hit them likes. If you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Join us on the Discord. Links pinned at the top of the chat. Tell your mom, tell your friends, tell coworkers. Heather, I don't want you at all. Who? Oh, now I gotta know who. All right. Crowns. Oh, I watched Crown before. Crown's Cave. Eric Crown. Yeah, he's cool. He's fun. He's also really, really hype, right? 10-4% is like 3 out of 4 times every time. Yeah, I mean, you still have one-fourth that might not play out, right? Discord is free, guy. Yo, yeah, join us on Discord. It's free, dude. For reals. Are we starting a downtrend? We don't know yet, dude. Why are people panicking yet? We're starting to like reject a little bit. It's like tiny bit. Dude. Look at this. This is weird. I actually had some line here for some reason at 57,000. Guess what? We hit it again and rejected it. I don't look at all the charts that I have, but when I look at them, I'm kidding. I notice there's weird stuff afoot. Are we on this chart? We're retracing all the way. Look at this. From low to high, we're retracing higher. Great. Actually, this one came as a joke. I was charting with Gavin, and he was telling me, well, what if you grab Bitcoin here and get this move on percentage-wise, right? And then just, by the way, this moved a little bit to the upside. There we go. Then high to low, right? What if you get this move here and you take the same percentage points and you put it here? And I actually charted this on the 24th, 25th, when Bitcoin was breaking this line and we were looking at where we could go. And I left it there. I never moved it. And just, it was like magic that we hit that same target again. It was very weird because I was not really expecting to see the same percentage points drop, right? That's how I took this. I grabbed this from here to here, took a percentage reading. I went from here to here and then just put a line and then anchored it there. And, it's weird that we just went there and hit there again and recovered more than that pattern. Right now, we're starting to recover more than the pattern. But that is fine. Every time we go up, we get pullbacks. I'm not worried about Bitcoin, right? I'm worried about potential head and shoulders forming, but it's not there yet. So I'm not that worried. We haven't really pulled back a lot to where I'm starting to say, wow, these head and shoulders might really come to fruition. We could be looking for more action to the downside. Right now, we're going to pull back day, but every day that we've been on the stream here and here the last 2 days, we've opened the stream and it's been red. So, throughout the day, we just get the dip gets eaten up again and he goes higher. And we know that stimulus checks or stimulus monies are going to be hitting people's pockets next week. So it might be more people flowing their dough into Bitcoin, right? So thank you, Oz. Appreciate that.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
May says ETC to USD. Sure. Yeah. Oh my goodness, I just realized I haven't updated the list since Pancake. I've looked at so much stuff. duper. Yeah. Duper, not necessarily. Right? You can look at the pattern size and then try to gauge where you're gonna go, because you raise by a percentage. Once you break a confirmation, right? You can also do fibs to gauge where you're gonna go. But yeah, there's patterns within patterns sometimes, right? You have a pattern on the daily, and then you might have a smaller pattern at play on the 1 hour. So what we want to do there is look for coin setting variables, right? Not the same pattern, but at least having bullish patterns across the board. Let's say you have a bullish pattern on the 1 hour, on the 4 hour, or the daily, and then you have a bigger chance of it moving up because you have a lot of bullish patterns in play. But if you have a let's say on the daily and on the 1 hour bullish and the 4 hour bearish, you're starting to find some indecision, and you might want to look at other stuff, right? Like oscillators, and see whether or not you have bullish divergence across the chart, or if you have bearish divergence across the chart and you have two bullish patterns but you have bearish divergence, there's a chance that the bullish pattern might be finished earlier or might not play out because you have that bearishness in play, right? So yeah, that's I guess what I can say about this. So, corn going down, Ethereum going down a bit, almost 1%. The XRP going up at 46 cents. The Litecoin going out at 4%. Binance down. Someone said ETC. Let's go to the ETC, man. Ethereum Classic at $12.26. Yay! Hitting bullish. Action to the upside. Great. High to low, high to low, high to low. Nothing here. Neutral at 54.48. So no pattern formation here. 4 hour chart. Oh, someone said something about... Yo, Andrew, didn't you say something about a cup and handle on Ethereum? I didn't look for that. Just remind me what time scale, because I didn't write it down. Confluence data points. Oh, we got Tomboy BitCrown in the house. Yo, what's up? Monday, right? Yeah, I'll check it then. So it's within a range, right? Previous 100%, 786, bouncing in that area. Right now, if you want to look at this somehow, I would definitely try to draw a line. Maybe that's not the line I'm looking for, but something like this, where it would make sense, right? So it might make sense to have it like this, maybe. Or ignore that and go from here. And say, look, we're waking along the way. We're making a sort of up-sloping triangle, or ascending triangle, and I want to see where we're going to go from there, right? XLM, we do yet? Recap if so. XLM, must you do? We haven't. Yoda voice you speak. Yeah, not finding a lot here. So let's go to the 1 hour UTC, dude. We are going from low to high. And now we're going from high to low. Ha 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 ha. It's going down on bearish divergence. Strong. Yeah, we're moving down on bearish divergence. Strong bearish divergence. Actually, downside. We're going to go down to the 20. We're wicking it for support. That is it, dude. That's it for ETC. Again, it's not really doing a lot. I'm not finding any cool patterns to look at. No 3 rising valleys. No 3 falling peaks. No cup and handle. No nothing like that. It's going up slightly, right? It's struggling to get above that previous 100% high. And again, it's not looking too strong, right? This from the 4 hour B. And did I forget to anchor this? No, I didn't. So awesome. In the 4 hour, we have this rising pattern here. Oh, Jesus. Data sounds cool, but that's about it. Yeah. V-chain on gain. Interesting. Tom Crown. Interesting. What about Tom Crown? Is he in the house? Tommy in the house? Tom not in the house. Let's keep moving. He's actually really cool, dude. I like Tom. I've chatted with him plenty of times. He's a cool dude. I enjoy trying to support him on his streams by viewing and liking, and I do post it on our Discord when he's live. So yeah, because we never collide on times. So if you guys want to go check out Tom Crown, usually when he goes live, I try to post it. So you guys can check him out while I'm doing my thing, because I'm not streaming at that time. But you guys can get some TA, which is really cool. And you get a different point of view. And his point of view is also solid. And he does TA a little bit different than the way I do it. And that's pretty cool, because then you see his style and then you see my style. And you can learn different things, right? And then you just figure out what works for you and you go with that. So, the 1 minute time scale is what you look at. Dude, oh, that's crazy. You're going to go nuts looking at the 1 minute scale. Don't do that, man. You found my channel through his chat a while ago. Yeah, because they also post when I'm live sometimes. So I'm live every night though. So, but usually when I'm live, sometimes they post it there, and then say people to get TA. Well, it's cool. So we do help each other out. His community is awesome. Our community is awesome, and some people of our communities are on both sides. So that's freaking awesome as well, right? Crown Script K with a K. Yeah, Crown Script K is with a K. Yeah, awesome. What I'm curious, what other great TA channels refer to us by names? Crazy is my middle name. Interesting. Yeah, you don't want to go to the 1 minute chart, dude. I don't do it. It's not very reliable, man. It's not very reliable. Something's coming through.
Finance.
Again? Oh, it's a replay from the first one. It just came through again. All right, I get that. It just keeps replaying though. That's freaking awkward. Thanks for the first time donation though. Second time is a replay of the first one. So you prefer the stream less hyper? Yeah. Sometimes. Would it be smart to buy right now? It's entirely up to you, man, and whatever your strategy is. So I cannot tell you if it's smart to buy or not. You have to determine that. Let's go look at the XLM. By the way, guys, you guys that have bought merch, thank you for buying the merch. Thank you for letting me know your comments regarding the products. And I hope you're enjoying them. And they look pretty cool. I'm still waiting for my stuff to arrive. So, and I'm gonna be making adjustments on some of the pieces that I noticed things are a little bit bigger. But yeah, it's really good though. So let's do this. Let's roll with this, man. What are we gonna do? XLM. Just mistype that all the way through. XLM to the dollar. Let's go there. Here we are. XLM. Great. What do we have, man? Hitting bullish, sideways motion. We're still getting that. Rejecting the 20. Not really doing a lot. Low, high, negative, low, negative, low, high. Neutral at 46.30. So not a lot here on the daily. On the 4 hour, we have bearish divergence. Moving down on that. Great. It does bearish divergence. Hidden. That brought us down. So, dude, where are we going? Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. Yep. Looks like it. So nothing bullish yet. Bearish divergence bringing us down since we called it on the 9th, I think. Or yesterday. I'm not sure. And then on the 1 hour. What are we doing there, man? The fundamentals are strong. Interesting. Huh? Oh, that's cool, man. I never seen crypto face. What? Who's Crypto Face? Interesting. Okay, now I'm curious now. Oh, Crypto Face has a spades. Awesome. Oh, cool. I never seen him. He does market cipher. Oh, he did an interview and his face is covered. Interesting. The Crypto Face. I seen you now. By the way, guys, if you like what we do, hit the like button on the sub, right? Join us on Discord. Link is pinned at the top. So, XLM. Last time we looked at this, we had this bullish divergence, pump on that, hit the 20, rejected, went lower. And on this move lower today, we find that we have managed to create this awesomeness thing called strong bullish divergence. And that has a better chance of playing to the upside. And this is good. This is good. Again, high to low, low to high. So we had the strong bullish. It was playing us to the upside so nicely until this hidden bearish divergence came into the play and really just shortened everything, because this was putting that pressure for the price to go back down. Right? We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. Just like we don't have the bullish divergence against the RSI, just against the MACD. So, do you think we're going to go to 70K? Maybe, dude. I do have a target at 73K for one of the moves. That has a 74% chance of hitting it, I guess. So, yeah. Maybe, dude. Maybe 70 plus K wouldn't be out of the question. Bitcoin 57, so yeah, it's all good right now. Market cipher is expensive. Yeah. I'm not sure how reliable it is. I never used it. A lot of people seem to like it. That's fine.
I call those YouTubers exactly as predicted. That's all they say, no matter what direction BTC is going.
All right, which YouTubers, man? I'm sorry, I didn't catch who you're calling exactly as predicted. But thank you very much for being here, man. I really appreciate it.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you very much for that. Again, right? Bitcoin potential double top forming, so might be some extra downside. We do have bearish divergence, and we do have a complex head and shoulders that could play to the upside. So right now, the fact that it moves down yesterday, 2 days ago, yesterday, and today on opening today, I mean tomorrow market, right on the 12th that already opened, but today market's opening. It makes me a little bit nervous on the fact that Bitcoin could start a downtrend with a double top forming around the 58,000 area. But again, we do have at least 3 technicals for action to the upside still. So, you know, just gauging about what we have and the strength of the market, it would be, I guess, okay to infer that we might still get more action to the upside. I'm not sure if I'm explaining myself right. So we have 3 technicals that we know play to the upside, and one that is not even formed that might play to the downside. It's there. I got to mention it because it's there, right? It's the right thing to do. We acknowledge pattern formation early on so we can get a jump on the trend and try to make a little bit more profit. So early pattern detection is important, right? Sometimes early pattern detection means it might not play out, but if you're ready for it, and whenever it plays out, you already have a plan, it's going to be much easier to execute and take profit. If you don't have a plan and you're not ready for it, you're probably going to be in a lot more pain. So get them likes up, guys. Come on, hit them likes. If you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. So, this is it, dude. Neutral at 43.70 on XLM. Again, bearish divergence. If we felt to get tongue twisted, if we felt to get lower than this previous low, we could be looking for more action to the upside. So, that's the last thing I have to say here. But that's it for XLM. Let's go to the corn at 56,758. We're down a little bit, trying to recover right now. 1.80% to downside. Everyone run for the hills, man. It is crashing. It is burning. It is going down in flames. Yesterday we pumped 3%. Today we were pumping a lot. We're like dropping so much, dude. Come on, the market's over. Everyone sell. Everyone panic sell. Bitcoin onto the hands of the strong. Kidding. No diamond hands. You know, whatever.
Likes up. We going to all-time highs.
Yo, you said it, man. Thank you very much for that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. There it is. Thank you very much for
Thank
that.
you very much.
Yes. All right, we can do yes.
The Moon and MM Crypto.
Oh, interesting, dude. Thank you very much for that, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for that. Yeah, yeah, a lot of people like to say exactly as predicted. I'm not sure why. That's fine. We get close to targets, right? I mean, I don't think we ever said exactly as predicted. Interesting. Maybe we should start saying exactly as predicted, and more people will follow. Maybe that's the key to getting more views, saying exactly as predicted, man. Exactly as we predicted. I'm kidding, man. I'm not picking anyone. I haven't seen their shows, so all I'm assuming is that they're saying exactly as predicted because they made a call that hit what they were supposed to hit. I'm not sure. Interesting. Yo, my brother wanted to know about Crypto TA. I sent him tonight's live stream. Share the channel, like the channel, subscribe. Yo, thanks, man, for reals. Share and subscribe. Salim just went H. I'm not sure what a lot of H's mean, dude. I'm not sure if you're laughing or just telling me to be quiet because the H sometimes is silent. So I'm not sure, bro. Let me know. Why so many H's? Let's I'm not gonna say exactly as predicted. Don't worry about it. Let's go to yes. He has a $3.93. High to low, high to low, high to low. Hidden bullish, pumping up on that. You're hitting that 382, so it's not that bad. You're just laughing. All right, cool. The A's were silent. It was just like something like that. It was like no ha ha ha. It was like so you're laughing like the, you know, do you guys remember Wacky Razors? It was like the Red Baron and had his dog. They used to like something like that. It used to be funny. Dude, high to low, high to low, high to low. Does Bitcoin look like about to take off a crash? Oh, dude, like SpaceX. I'm not sure. SpaceX is interesting. Not really seeing anything here that is bullish right now, except for the hidden bullish I already looked at and hitting that 382 and rejecting the last couple days. Trying to hold above that 20, which is okay, right? We can only project using charts. We cannot predict. Correct. 50.31. Yeah. We can get an idea of where the price could go. Weirdly, I'm not sure. Maybe that's the name of the dog. High to low, high to low, high to low. Neutral at 49.95. Yeah, Mutely. That's the name of the character. He's a dog that used to write. Like, laugh really weird. So, Good time for entry? Oh, dude, come on. You know I can tell you that, guys. You gotta determine that on your own. I can be your guide. But you gotta make the decision on your own, right? You gotta click the buttons by yourself. You gotta take that decision and measure that risk by yourselves most of the time. Yeah, good, but it's like TMC. Yeah. Yeah, that's the dog's name. That's awesome that you remember that. I can't. Sorry if you don't like the music as Rose 6. I cannot play anything that is copyrighted, otherwise my stream gets taken down for copyright violations. I can only play copyright royalty-free music, and that is what I'm playing. So, sorry about that. A lot of people like the music, though. I like the phrase, exactly as projected. Interesting. Anyways, for some reason they move a little bit when I move in and out. So, bearish divergence Action to downside. We are flagging. It's looking okay as a flag. Actually, it looks like a little bit, not look a little bit. It looks like we're doing a falling wedge, right? So again, falling wedges tend to break to the upside. Let's hope this is the case for this. I actually like the way EOS is forming this, but gotta be a little bit careful, right? Tell you why in a second. Gonna make this blue. The color of blue. Here we go. Yeah, I know the VWAP indicator. I use it on some stocks trades, but I'll tell you about it later on, dude. I gotta start doing educational videos. Gotta find time to do educational videos. I haven't had time to do educational videos. You're 47 years old. Oh, dude, geez, you're older than me. Interesting. I'm only 46. Sorry, not 46, 36. I added like 10 years to my existence. You dumb me. I would say 36. I'm gonna be 37 this year, which interesting. Next month, actually. Next month is my birthday. Next month, I will be the mighty number of 37. Until next year when I turn 38. So for a whole year, I'll have the pleasure of being 37 and figure out what it means to be a 37-year-old person that does YouTube analysis. I love doing this. This is too much fun. Hello. Anyways, we have this falling wedge that might break to the upside. Oh, why did I say this is gotta wait, right? Well, first I gotta measure here. Do that right. We lower and then the low to high. Great. Yep. So we are creating this, dude. Here, move. Advance happy birthday. Oh, dude, come back on April and say that. It's still a month away. But thank you very much for it. I appreciate it. Watch until my birthday and then say it on my birthday. I will not accept a forwarded birthday. Congratulations. I'm kidding, dude. It's all good. Anyways, we have this hidden bullish, and that's what's pumping us up. Again, we're hitting resistance, moving down. Again, probably because we're in this falling wedge. And something I'm looking at is, and again, this is very iffy right now, but 1, 2, 3, potential 3 falling peaks. Sometimes we get these patterns, right? And it looks like it might play because even within the falling wedge, we have the 1, 2, 3 peaks coming down. And it's very iffy right now because we really got to break that confirmation for us to be able to go in. Otherwise, we might be confirming a falling wedge pattern before we actually try to go up. So they kind of like intermingle to an extent until we break this to the downside, and then we know we are in a falling peaks pattern. That's what we have right now. Neutral 50.54. Let's go to the 1 hour. High to low, high to low, high to low. Ooh, are we doing it here also? I wonder. Low to high, high to low. Interesting. Some hidden bearish divergence. SBCA is the real Gavin in the chat. Yeah, I think Gavin's in the chat. His has been quiet. You should ping him if you need his attention. Like Adam or something. Low, lower, negative, less negative, negative, more negative. All right. Neutral at 49.45. Again, hidden bullish pump, hidden bearish. Sorry, strong bullish pump, hidden bearish, bringing it down. Again, the strong bullish might still play. It usually trumps hidden bearish. We gotta see that happening yet, but you know, it is there. Gonna keep on checking up on EOS, right? Patient needs continuous check up for us to be able to determine what's the ailment. Let's go back to the corn. The corn husk at 56,964, pumping back up, dude. Get to the 57K area already. One more dollar. Come on, pump it a dollar, guys. Someone buy a dollar worth of Bitcoin so it moves up. Kidding. Oh, there we go. 57. Awesome. We're in the 57s again. Great. I'm out of ice and I need more whiskey, so I'm out of mana. I'll be right back. I am back. I have returned. You're on Mitch Wright's channel right now. Awesome. Is Mitch still live right now? Interesting. I initially never collide with Mitch. I am sipping on whiskey too. Oh, he might be live because he's doing his Patreon night today. So, interesting. It does says he's live. Sure, let's see. Yes, he's live. Interesting. Let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. Wow, still live? Yes, I'm live, Remy. Thank you for being here. Much appreciated, brother.
What's up?
This is good. Let's move, man. Let's look at something else. So, what else do you guys want to look at? I think we're running out of coins. We're running out of the projects that we have here. How long are you streaming for? I'm not sure. Until I get tired. Till no more coins come in. Until we're out of chat. I'm not sure. Yeah, I already did Ada. We can do them again, right? Let's go to Ada. The Ada. What's happening? Well, on the daily, we have the hidden bullish. We're still trying to run on that. All right. And then short term, flatlining, and nothing that's here. So let's go to the 4 hour. Breaking out a potential triangle. Waiting for it to do something else because we have this hidden bearish that's putting pressure on the price to go down. Neutral 42.10. Let's go to the 1 hour. Try it, dude. The 1 hour. What is it happening? What's happening here? We're creating strong bullish now, which is good. Low. Lower low. And we're finding that going from negative to positive, and from here to here. And with that, we have that strong bullish effort. It's for potential action to the upside, right? So his boys are in for Patreon. Yeah, he does that though. He does Patreon night on Thursdays. So we're probably gonna do Patreon night on Fridays because Tom does Patreon nights on Saturdays. So we'll be looking to do Patreon nights on a different night, I guess. Our you streamers should connect. It works out good for you both. You real recognize. Yeah. I'm not sure if Mitch is aware of our existence, but yeah, we're here. How much different types of coins do you have? McLovin's in the house. The McBuffin. A lot. A few. I'm not sure. I don't keep track of all. So I have a few coins, so I'm not sure if that answers the question. Great live in chat. Awesome, dude. Trumpson. Appreciate your channel. Thanks, man. Oh, yeah, D&T. Right on. So EOS. Oh, we already did EOS. So someone said, Cardano. We recapped Cardano. Dude, I'm missing the recaps. Where the hell's Ada? Here it is. Someone else mentioned some coin that we already recapped. So the graph. The graph, McGraph. Let's go look at the graph. The graph. It's here. I found it. On the daily, we have nothingness. Neutral at 52.06. On the 4 hour, we have hidden bullish divergence fraction to the upside. We're pulling back up a little bit, so it's good. Neutral 42.41 on the 1 hour. At the state of crypto, can you look at Bitcoin? Yes, I can look at Bitcoin, Gavin. Just let me finish the graph recap real quick because we're done with it actually. Bullish divergence, strong action to the upside. Yar, that's it. Let's go to the Bitcoin. At 57,027. Great, it's pumping back up. On the daily. Potential double top forming. Right? Not there yet, but potential. Again, still bullish. We have a lot of patterns that point to the Bitcoin's upside. Dude, Gavin, do you remember when we did this as a joke? And you said, yo, project this in here. And look at that. We spot on hit that on the same drop percentage points that we dropped here from high to low. And now we're bouncing back up. And yo, Gavin, great. That's a pretty good, weird exercise, but it looks good. Like we left it here. We were like on this day or this day. And it was like, oh, yeah, we hit spot on. Awesome. What else is happening with the corn of bits? The 4 hour charts, right? The 4 hour charts have complex head and shoulders, fraction of the upside, measure of the head to the neck, gets us to 60,422. If we go higher, we have a target actually on pattern, meaning completion percentage wise, we're looking at a 30+% hit. We're looking at 73,000. So yeah, $73,007 on a full hit, and pattern meets 74% of the time. So again, big chances it might go hit it, right? And what else are we having here? Dude, I remember we also have a double bottom somewhere. Double bottom here. All right, 1, 2 bottoms. Again, confirmation line broken. That target gets us to 65,633 if we decide to still go higher. On the 4 hour Bitcoin, we have bearish divergence. Fraction to downside, we're down slightly, right? Neutral at 64, bought at 64.21. And with that, we're looking for that action to downside right now. And that's why I'm worried a bit about Bitcoin, right? Because we have this bearish divergence here on the 4 hour. We have this bearish divergence here on the what?
The Moon and Crypto.
Oh, it's a recap. It's a replay, sorry. Ooh, something happened here. Not that. Let's go to a regular screen. Main screen, here we go. My bad. I hit something by accident. Dude, why are the old
We're going
things?
to all-time highs.
What? Why are these things replaying again? It's weird. Come on.
I call those YouTubers exactly as predicted. That's all they say, no matter what direction BTC is going.
It's weird. It's just replaying. Sorry about that. I'm not sure why it's glitching today. We have bearish divergence here also, right? Medium bearish divergence or strong bearish divergence, because we technically went slightly higher, but you just want to say we're going sideways, so it'll still be medium divergence. Action to the downside again, 4-hour chart, strong bearish. And on the 1 hour, I think the 1 hour had also had bearish divergence. So we're looking for action to the downside right now. We're hunting for action to the downside, Captain. Short term, I'm not seeing anything else. We did, not that. We did hit this support right on this red line. And spot on hit again, 1, 2, 3 times. The first time I drew this, I deleted it because it was too wide. We're up here, so I wasn't sure we're actually going to hit that target. And to my surprise, when I redrew it today, I was like, oh, we hit it spot on. Interesting. But this one is the one I was looking for as support. It held once, right? It was holding here twice on a wick. It was holding here. We're flirting with it until we broke below it, faced resistance. That's confirming we're breaking out of that support. But we held on at this one, broke back above, held support again at this line. Right now, breaking below, finding resistance. So we might be trying to find support. We're below the 20 briefly. We're getting back above it, which is okay. But again, we're going to face resistance here at this line, and then we're going to probably face resistance here again around 47,900, which is where we actually closed this wick. And I got to actually look all the way over here, all the way over yonder, man. Oh, snaps. I went too far. Here we go. To see what we have here. What was the high here? 40, to close, 58,000. So no, this still higher than the other target that we look at. So, ooh, that is it for Bitcoin on a rush. Look at it, right? Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Nothing bullish right now. Do you have anything else here in Bitcoin? Nope. That's it. That is it for the corn, man. That is it for the corn. Thank you, Gavin, for asking for the Bitcoin. That is it, dude. Again, quick run through the Bitcoin. Again, not really worried about the double top formation yet. Still got to pull back down a little bit more, maybe for me to start getting worried about it. Looking more for the other patterns that we have to the upside. I think I might be missing one call. That is this one on the daily. Broke out of this flag formation. Right, we didn't quite hit that pull move, but we could be going for that pull again, right? So, again, I do believe this pattern finished when we didn't hit it here, but we still left that target out there. Maybe we might try to go back and hit it. You already go back to Ethereum? No, I haven't, dude. I'm sorry, man. Just give me one quick second. I will go back to it, Andrew. I will, right after Bitcoin, right? I will go back to it, man. I promise. Ooh, that whiskey's nice. That whiskey good. That's it for the corn, man. What else am I missing on the corn? Oh, with the parabolic advances, right? We got to talk about them parabolic advances. Where are we at with regards to the parabolic advances? Let's get on the weekly. Let's hide the Trollinger band so we can look at this properly. And we're still on an uptrend parabolic advance. One advance, second advance, third advance. I actually want to curve this a little bit more in. Something like that might look better for this curve. Again, more or less same time scales we're looking at, or same time frames for them to play out. Still doing really good, right? We're like really, really far away from the curve right now, which is pretty good. We're also far away from the 200 moving average. So again, not gonna look at it here. It's gonna make it really messy, some log scale, but looking okay. Weirdly enough, it's looking okay. So what else, dude? What else do we have here? What else are we looking at? I think that's it, dude. Thank you, Gavin. I hope this is the Bitcoin you wanted to look at, not the real Bitcoin of Canadian dollar Bitcoin, because you didn't specify. But let me know if this was the Bitcoin. Let me know if this was the corn that you wanted to see. Let's keep rolling and trolling, I guess. Ooh, that sounds good. That actually rhymes. I like that. Let's keep rolling and trolling. Let's go to daily, man. Ooh, it looks very messy here because I have a lot of data on this chart. Interesting. Very, very interesting. So I just gotta start doing some cleanup on the alt charts. Let's go to Ethereum, I guess. High to low, low to high. Bearish divergence, action to downside, moving down, hitting support at 179. You said cup and handle formation. We're too low for this lip, right? It could start looking like a cup and handle. We do want to see a good move up, right? Of at least 30% moving up, but no more than 50, right? And I do believe we might be going more than 50. So I'm going to check real quick this part, because this part of the cup and handle is where it gets tricky. The first move before the cup gets formed. So, so right before the cup is at least 30%. Lips are near the same. Cup duration, I know. Handle forms in the upper half of the cup. Those are the main rules. I don't think there's anything about a larger move to the upside. Interesting. So, okay, well, we can go with that, I guess. I thought there was something that it could not be more than 50% again. There's so many things out there that it's hard to remember them all. But Bitcoin, huh? Make sure I say if you want to be his friends, he's looking for long-term friends. Did you ask him about me or something? What's someone? We got a Patreon. Awesome! Someone subbed to our Patreon. Lucas! Thank you very much for that. Awesome support, man. Right now, we're not posting a lot on the Patreon. Right now, it's just for support. We're gonna start doing stuff on Patreon soon. Still finishing some stuff up, and the tiers are gonna change, right? So there'll be higher tiers for setups, etc. So great stuff. Dude, what's SBCA? Are you in our Discord? Tell me what's happening. I'm not sure what's going on. Not spamming. Iron sharpens iron. That's how I found this channel a while back. Awesome. Yeah, maybe, dude. What is going on with the VT? What is happening with it? Let me know. Right, so the lips are a little bit off, right? And I see what you're talking about. I'm not liking it too much for a cup and handle. Right, you want this to be almost the same height. We do have a difference. I'm not sure it's going to be a huge difference, but we do have at least a 5%, 4.10% difference. Is the bull run over now? Oh, nope. Not yet. Not yet. It's not over until that lady sings. Hello. Again, not really liking this cup and handle, right? It could be, right? I'm just not seeing it very well because this lip's so much higher, but yeah, I mean, we could try to... I see that the U shape that you want to find for the cup and this potential handle forming. Maybe the 4 hour might look a little bit better. As we have the inverse head and shoulders. So inverse head and shoulders here, and then a smaller inverse head and shoulders in the 1 hour, both pumping to the upside. We can still go up, and yeah, that handle, right? We haven't met target yet. It could be, right? It could be that it's a cup and handle, man. I'm not gonna rule it out. Good eye, man. So, a lot of stuff happened since. Good thing it isn't replaying. District X. Yeah, let's do District X. Oh, dude. What is... Oh, you put me on the spot right now. I can't remember what the ticker is. DNT, that's it. Let's go to the dentist. SBCS PS. I just subscribed to the Discord. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. That means you're stuck on the welcome. Did you verify? And tell me who you are, because if you didn't verify, I need to verify you. Otherwise, you're not able to see Jack. Because everything is hidden, I guess. Do I have a line where you can call and ask questions? No. You can join the Discord. You can contact me there. You can ask stuff there. So the Discord would be the best way to get a hold of me, I guess. Loom to Korean won. Huh. Interesting. I'm not sure. We'll see if we can find it, right? I'll just write it down. Loom. To the Korean won. SBCA, you gotta tell me who you are because there's so many people that join. I'm not sure who I should talk to. I have like joined in the last couple of minutes, so let me know. Fluky wants to know. Watching both of your live streams at the same time. It will be good collaboration. He said many people use him for the moment. Looking for long-term friends, hence Iron Can. Oh, I already read that one. No, it was a different one. Cool, man. Yeah, I'm not sure, man. Yeah, maybe. I mean, I'm not against it. So. Oh, that's a lot of recaps. We haven't done Luna. We haven't done VT. We just did Crow, so I can recap Crow if you want. So, let's start moving. TNT, Loom, and we'll see. What else? The Dentistry coin. District X. Why are the Bollinger Bands so many? I'm on log scale, that's why. Oh, there we go. The mighty log scale that messes the Bollingers. How much whiskey have I had? Not a lot. One. And I'm starting on the second one. I'm just like weird today. I'm not sure. It's fun. I'm just having fun today. High to low, high to low, high to low. Low to high, negative was negative, low to high. Low to high. Some hidden bullshit dodges. I am just having fun because you gotta have fun when you do what you like to do, right? I like having fun when I do this, so it's a little bit different than the regular streams. We're not doing anything bearish. We just have to sit in bullish again, holding sideways above that 618, heading for that 786. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Right now, dude, I have a lot of whiskeys I like. I like Lagavulin. I like Glenmorangie, Glenfiddich, Macallan's, the Glenroth. What else, dude? I like a lot of whiskeys, dude. I like Jameson's. I like Chivas, Buchanan's, Johnny Walker's, Cardew, Dalmore. Dude. Oban. A lot, dude. A lot. I don't have one that I like the most. Right now, I'm actually drinking Chivas. Chivas Extra 13H with the, cherry cask. So I wanted to give it a try. I never had Chivas cherry cask. I don't like Chivas that much. I like it, not that much. I have other ones that I like better. But I like Chivas enough to drink it. And let's say if you give me Chivas and the Macallan's, I'll probably choose Macallan's. But if you just give me Chivas, I'll be really happy too, right? So I mean, it's not bad, but I really want to try this one because I like the cherry cask ones. Like, who has it? Glenmorangie has, the Quinta Ruban, which is on port casks, and then it has the one I forget the name that is on cherry casks, and then it has the something door, which is on champagne casks, I think. So they're good. I like them. So it's good, man. I like whiskey. Yeah. I used to drink a lot of whiskey back in the day. Now, not so much. Just every now and then. TNT. Low to high. And we are going from high to low. Because it is what it is. Bitcoin is listening to my wishes. Respect. What are your wishes, Gavin? What are your wishes? Are you wishing for a higher Bitcoin or a lower Bitcoin? I'm interested. Let me know. Again, low to high, high to low. It's good. Bearish divergence strong. Action to the downside. Oh no, we're going down. Then we're going low to high, and then negative to more negative. And on that, we are creating the mighty, the awesome yogurt. Yogurt the Great. No, just plain yogurt. You might not get it if you never watched Spaceballs. I'm your father's roommate, college's roommate's cousin. I can't remember, something like that. It's rebounding, easy peasy. Yo, it is. It is. Remember our target discussions? Today I want high Bitcoin. Yo, I get it. Get it. Hidden bullish. Action to the upside on DNT. Yo, dude. I told you 58. It was a good target for Bitcoin. It hit 58 and change and then pull back a little bit, but we have targets to the upside. Oh, this is on the 4 hour. I forgot to keep it there. Or is it from the daily or the 4 hour? I gotta check. I don't want to mess things up here. Oh, the 4 hour. Yeah, I forgot the anchor. Re-anchor. Or, you know, this, I think it might just be that one that I forgot to anchor. Oh, this one as well. And yeah, that's it. Let's go to the 1 hour. TNT is playing my feelings for weeks. Hold around 10. Oh, interesting. High to low, high to low, high to low. Low, lower. No, what? Low, lower. Are we going something here? Oh, high, low, negative, less, negative, more negative. I'm not finding anything here, dude. Oh, potential 3 falling peaks pattern. Dropped. Oh, bigger scale. Do we have free falling peaks here? No, it just looks like a mushy flag. It looks like a weird flag. Well, let's go to the 1 hour chart. Ooh, it's past the midnight. How's Bitcoin past midnight, by the way? Dude, I'm not finding a lot here on DNT, by the way, right? Right now. So I'll be waiting for something to develop. We are low. We could be looking for some kind of retest of that 20 right now, but I don't have a set pattern that I could be looking at here, right? We have Bart Simpson's hair here, something like that. Yeah, we have the Bart Simpson pattern. That is it, dude. Really not a lot here right now on the 1 hour chart. Really, I would rather come back to this later on, maybe tomorrow, if you want to ask about it again, and we can check it out more in detail. But right now, it looks like it's going to move up a little bit. Let me go back to the corn real quick. 57,300. It is bouncing. It is below our resistance, though. Let's see if we can break it above it. Let's go to loom. The fruit of the loom. We did it earlier for our buddy Flags. Brother Flags, are you here? High to low, high to low, high to low. Hidden bullish, moving up on that. Hitting that 100%, moving back down, finding support at the 20. Again, Loom is not really doing a lot. Yesterday we had a big indecision day. Today we're having an indecision day as well. So let's go to the 4 hour chart. High to low. Bearish. Strong bearish. Moving down. Low, high, negative, more negative. Strong. Not strong. Hidden bullish divergence fraction to the upside. That's it for Loom. Oh, you said Korean won. Sorry, dude. My bad. I gotta redo this because someone said Korean won. They threw a wrench in there just to see if I was paying attention. It is there on BitHum. The Korean won. What's happening with this one? If it looks like US, right, look. See this? See this move? See this move? No real point in doing it against the Korean won. It looks the same. So we're getting the same moves. No matter about the volume, it's still the same. I'll even do here. compare, and I'll do Loom USD. I'll go with the Binance one. It should be close enough, I guess. So we'll go here. And we'll make it style. We'll make it where is it, dude? Settings. I need, here it is, candles. And on candle look, we have more or less something that overlaps the other one. So I know you asked for Luma on Korean won. If I do it against the US dollar, we're going to be looking at the same thing, right? Look, even if I zoom out, the graphs are one over the other, right? There's no difference in the graphs, right? Slightly higher here. Could be due to the exchange rate between the dollar and the Korean won, right? A little bit lower here again, maybe due to the exchange rate. But it looks the same though. So if you don't mind, I'm just going to do it against the dollar. We already had advance there. So it's going to be the same thing. So I just proved, even though it has the most volume, it's the same thing. There we go. I proved without the shadow of a doubt that it is the same thing. Let's go here at the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we had a triangle. We broke to the downside. We probably hit a measure move with that. I think I already did that exercise when I went from high to low. Here we go. If I use the wicks, we haven't hit it. If we use the wicks, we haven't hit it yet. We're very close to it. Moving down again, sideways motion right now. So really not a lot. This is starting to look now like a fallen wedge. Like the elephant's tusk. A fallen wedge. Like that. Ooh, we're hitting that top part of the wedge. Almost spot on. So I would be looking at something like this right now, right? For potential action to the upside, we're bouncing at the bottom of the wedge, which is good. And again, try to break that. We'll see, right? Again, the triangle might have turned into a fallen wedge of sorts. 72 people watching. Thank you for being here. If you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the mighty sub. And actually, let's make this blue because it's a pattern. So we'll make it the color of blue. It's dumped to 42k. I doubt it, man. Let's go back to the corn, man. This whiskey's actually doing good for me right now. Let's get rid of Loom. Why do I have Loom here? Oh, because it's on all the charts. There we go. Now the charts are free of the Loom. We can look at the charts without the Loom. Oh, thank you for that, man. I appreciate it. Remy. Strong, man. That's cool.
And hit the donation bottom.
If you like what we do,
Audience, say it with me.
legendary, man.
Thank you.
There it is. Thank you very much. If you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Join us on the Discord. Link is in the description. Link is in the description. I really appreciate that, man. Thank you very much for that. It is cool to feel appreciated. Now, for reals, the donations are really, really cool. What are we doing, man? It's trying to go back up. Are we going to get above that target? Are we going to get above that target? We're trying to get tightness of the Bollinger Bands. Ooh, interesting. How tight are they going to get before they actually explode again? Here, they didn't get that tight. Here, they kind of got tight, but not that tight. I'm actually going to play around with this and see. Ooh, let's do this. I don't want to take a measure. Yeah, I'll take this as a measuring stick, I guess. And place it here, and we can see that we're almost that close to the last explosion. Great. Ooh. There it is. Oh, dude, that is it. It is hitting resistance. Very close to it. Very, very close to it, man. Let's keep rolling. Bitcoin is in talks with Saudi Arabia, OPEC, to bring supply chain management to the oil-rich nations. Ooh, that's gonna be interesting, Blue Duck. That's a good news, actually. If that is legit, that could be really interesting. It'll be very, very interesting. We have 46 minutes to close this candle. I'm not sure. I'm gonna stay here until the candle closes. Ooh, a lot of people joining our Discord. That's so cool. Thank you guys for being there. Again, if you do like the content that we produce, hit like the bell and stuff. We're not even at 100 likes. Come on, guys. Help me out with 100 likes. I like 100 likes. We're 2 likes away. If you haven't hit 2 likes, can't we get 2 likes? 2 likes is all it takes to make the stream a better place. Something like that. I am, oh, we're 100. Great hype. There it is, man. Dude, 100 likes. Thank you. Who was 100? Who was Hundy? Yo, we hit 100, Jeremy. Remy, we hit 100. Seamus is probably happy. Seamus, you here? He's probably not in the chat. He might be in the chat. Who knows? I was the 5th. I was the 0. I don't like my streams. I should go hit the like also. I should go hit the likes. You are the 5th dislike. Hey, still counts as engagement. Oh, this is good. I like this. I enjoyed this. It was a good stream. I'm having fun tonight. I'm having fun tonight. What else are we gonna look at? Just come on, give me something. Hit me with a coin. Hit me with a coin, or I'm not sure. Finish the streamers. The corn again, still trying to rally. Cannot break resistance line. Having trouble. Let's see what else, dude. What else are we gonna do with this? What else can we do with this? I don't see anything else in the corn. So, what is a pumping? Oh, I'm gonna actually check on some stuff real quick. So, flow and something else. Right on, dude. Let me check on some things real quick though. Ave. I want to see where we're at. Not that. Why did I hit enter? I didn't want to do that. There we go. I thought it was going to take me to the first one. It didn't. Right. How are we doing this now? Ooh, we still haven't confirmed. So, great. Still right spot on that line, right? I'm waiting for this to determine whether or not this is going to be the play that we're looking for out there. 1, 2, 3, right? Potential for rising valley. There's nothing bullish on it. So we're just waiting for it to confirm it wants to go higher. We open a position on Ave. The other one that had that was Link. The Link. The Linkster. The Linkminator. Let's play something else. It's not showing up. 29, 90. Again, same thing. Here we had on the 4 hour. Or, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Went down slightly more, so maybe I had this in the daily. 1, 2, 3. There we go. We did manage to go slightly higher, so again, looking for potential move for this tree. And then we have a cup and handle on BTT, right? BTT. I want to see this one because this one's on the 4 hour. The BTT. BTT. This has to be on the 4 hour, so we're not gonna see that cup and handle. Ooh, we're forming a handle. It looks good. Potential cup and handle on BTT with nice targets to the upside. Tasty. Let's go to flow. I have to come back to this tomorrow and see whether or not we have formed that handle. So, and then I'll come up with my pattern. All right, I do have something written. Just waiting for it to trigger because it's early pattern detection, right? Not there yet. It's not yet confirmed that we're on that. So, flow. The rhythm and flow, man. Feel the rhythm, feel the flow. It's gonna crash to 40k. Oh, it's we're all going to go burning up and yeah, crash to 40k. There's stigma for sure though, yeah. Right, so flow. Nothing here that we can look at, right? There's that drop in volume, right? High to low, low to high. Could be some bearish divergence against the volume. That is fine. We're starting to flag though. That flag is not looking that bad. It's looking a little bit like fallen wedge, which would be good. That's usually what I want to see here on a pattern like this. Yeah, something like this. Bright and wedge, fallen wedge, just falling channel maybe. Even I would be really looking to chart this on a 4-hour chart to get a better idea. Right, to get a better idea as to where we can go. We're above that 20 quite a bit, so it's not looking that bad. Neutral, sorry, not neutral, bought at 61.65. Let's go to the 4-hour. Again, hidden bullish, stagnation. That's what we're getting. High, low, high, low, high, low. Low, lower, negative, less negative. Some strong bullish divergence developing now for flow. With that, with some possibility for action to the upside. And that could be really good for this. This could be interesting. Neutral 42.83. Look at the 1-hour chart. High to low, high to low, high to low. Low, lower, negative, less negative. Some bullish divergence there. We did move up on this one already, though. We hit the 20, and we're rejecting, so it's not looking as strong right now. We need to break above that 20. Still trying to get lower, and the spear's low, and it looks as though we're doing a small triangle here on this smaller drop that we got on flow. So you could be looking for some action to the upside. Do we have some hidden divergence? I do believe we're creating some, yeah. Hidden bearish. There we go. That's why we're getting that pressure on the price to go down again. And not really looking too bad right now, right? We're consolidating. We're making a small triangle. We could be looking for action to the upside if this triangle breaks to the upside. So, flow again, consolidating, right? 4-hour chart, I said maybe a fallen wedge. We can see it here a little bit better, right? I mean, here. And then it might actually even be a triangle here. Now, yeah, fallen wedge a little bit, something like that. So we could be looking at a small looking fallen wedge, but it is there, man. Just a little brief 3 days ago. Interesting. Maybe, man, I'm not sure. Maybe you should have. Let's see real quick. Why would you want to sell this 3 days ago? It's not that bad right now. 3 days ago, you were actually lower than where it's at right now. Why do you want to sell Reef? I think you fooled me into looking at it by not requesting it with your weird comment of I should have sold. Well played. Well played, Serge. I will not be falling for that again. Again, not a lot I can chart here. We're getting above that 1618. You mean holding its points here? Yeah, but it's still good, man. Better than 3 days ago. So I'm not sure why. High to low, high to low. Everything's good. 4-hour bullish divergence strong. We called it. Right, actually the upside. We're moving up on that, so it's good. We're even higher than the previous high. Interesting. We are having divergence. From here to here. Let's get this on the yellow. And from here to here. And from here to here as well. Where's your face? It's here. Unless I click something else by accident, but it should be here. My camera is stuck. Why are you stuck? There we go. There we go. Oh no, it's not working. It is not working. When did I get stuck? There we go. Oh, it's not really wanting to do this. There we go. Fixed. Awesome. Jeffrey, thank you for being here, man. Where's your face? My face is still here. It was frozen, but I'm still here. I'm not sure how long I was frozen for. But thank you for letting me know. Anyways. Potential action to the downside on the strong bearish divergence. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, we're just mooning on this. Jesus, there we go. Thank you, Jeffrey, for the support, bro. I really appreciate what you do, man. Thanks for putting in the time on helping me with the modding. It's really cool, man. Thank you very much for that. Just a little high, low to high, and low to high, and then low to high here as well. Low, lower, negative, less negative. All right, it did have some bullish divergence here on Reef. On the Reefer. Jesus, Remy, thank you very much for that. Good luck with your exam, and thank you for being here, man.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Not sure what your exam's on, but good luck with that, man. Much appreciated, your support. Your support is very much appreciated. I'm actually gonna end the stream soon. Ooh, I'm fibbing down here. Weird. Let's go with this. There we go, that's it. And we also have it here. And with this, we have this mighty bullish divergence for action to the upside. We're moving up on that. Yeah. We'll see, right? It doesn't have anything bearish right now. It's looking good. Did I not play with this one and say it was looking like Charizard yesterday or 2 days ago? I think I did that, right? I said, look, it's making a dragon, and then I went like this, and then it was like this, and it was a spike here, and they said, the dragon's mouth, and then there's the dragon's neck, and there's the dragon's belly, and these are the legs, and then I went like this, and it's like, that's a tail, and then you should like that. So we're making a dragon, a child drawn dragon. But it is a dragon. That's it, guys. That's gonna be it for tonight. Let's go back to the corn. The bit of the corn. Bit of the corn, man. Here it is. BitTorrent, any news? I'm not sure, dude. I have not looked at any news for crypto. Thank you, friend, for asking. Bearish divergence, section downside, move down. Trying to move up. Rejection a little bit. And still above that 20, though. So, ooh, I cannot put any more drawings. Great. Thanks for letting me know. Oh, great chart. That's going to be it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like button, sub. Join us on the Discord. Link is pinned at the top of the chat. And what else am I supposed to say here? Yeah, this is not financial advice. Also for entertainment and education purpose only. Please do your own research. Hope you were entertained and you found education on this. Tower crypto to your friends, your family, and your coworkers. That's going to be it, guys. I'm going to sign off. And the flow of time says that I've been live for 3 hours and 24 minutes. This is going to be it for right now. Thank you guys for watching. And again, I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto. Until then, join me on the Discord if you have questions.